Sanibonani.
Thokoza. Yebo
Thokozani.
gogo. Yebo.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila, unjani wena?
Ngiyaphila nami.
Hayi, injani i-lockdown? U-lockdown kuphi? Kwenzekani la ukhona?
Lockdown in Durban. Well, there was a point we were all locked down.
Mm.
That was before we knew we were on level 5. And
Yes.
then we were on level 5. There was a
Yes.
point there was a lockdown.
It was
And
just,
it had
there were no levels.
it was just lockdown. There was no level. Then it moved to level 5. I've been in Durban this whole time. And then recently it moved to level 4, which meant that Angiti level 5 went with certain essential workers.
Yes.
And then level 4 kind of extended it to other industries as well. And the entertainment industry was part of that. So part of communication. I think they also thought everything that is on television will run out. So
Mm.
production houses need to go back to work and kind of produce more work so that the people that are still on lockdown can at least have something to entertain them. So I have since been working since the 6th of May. I've gone back to set. It is the new normal. It is not like before, because one needs to be very careful and we need to be very conscious of our every move. We get screened before we go into studio. You have to have your face mask. It is only when we do our makeup that we don't have face masks, but our makeup artists have face masks and these screens. And when we shoot, we have to be very conscious of our social distance. So in the way that directors direct, they have to make sure that we keep a safe distance between each other as performers. So that's how it's been. But we have to get used to it, because this is how it's going to be from here on.
Life has changed, ne?
It
It's
has, in
the
such
new
a short
normal.
space of time. Kanji, kanji.
It is a new normal. Mina, what I've learned is that do not postpone anything because you do not know what's going to happen tomorrow. What has been your
Mm.
biggest lesson during the lockdown?
Okay, I can see lana kuthiwa ugogo ucela akhulume isiZulu. Here's what I would like to nje share with abantu ukuthi, as when we are live like this, a lot of people from all over the world watch us. So we have to speak isiZulu naso isingisi, so that the people that don't understand isiZulu can at least hear a part of what we're saying. So isifundo engisifundile ke kuyo yonke lento ukuthi, first of all, yonke into ebengicabanga ukuthi ibalekile, that means yonke into ebimaterial ebengikade ngicabanga, imali, konke nje, yonke into ematerial ebengicabanga ayinamsebenzi walutho where impilo is concerned. Impilo iyenye into, akusiyona lento ade ngicabanga impilo. Impilo, first of all, iyakaJehova kuphela. Akekho omunye umuntu ongakwazi ukuba ne-access kwimpilo. Lokhu ngikushiso ukuthi kuthe makuthiwa we have this situation, we are in a pandemic. We've never been in a pandemic, not in our lifetime. We have never been. So suddenly there were different kinds of feelings. People went into heavy depression. People panicked. People didn't know what was going on. It is the new normal. It is, nobody has an answer for this. And I realized, when you have been a spiritual person all along, when you have been connected to your ancestors, when you have been connected to God, and you've been in communication with God as regularly as you possibly can, there was no need for you to panic, because you know that life is not in your control, and it's not in control of a person who's in the world. Noma ngabe bengenzani, noma ngabe kungathiwa kwenziwe kanjani, akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuthinta impilo yomunye umuntu. Flesh is something else. We are not talking about flesh. We're not talking about body. We are now speaking spiritual life. My spiritual life belongs to God. And so when my spirit leaves my body, it will simply go back to where it came from, back to God. So it was a time for me to then say, look, You are not going to fear anything. You're going to stay here in your praying room and you are going to pray. You're going to pray for yourself. You're going to pray for your family. You're going to pray for your friends. You're going to pray for the people that you work with. You're going to pray for the entire country. You are going to pray for the world because it is your duty. That is why you have the calling. It is your duty to then, when in distress, when people are in distress, those people that have got the calling, it is then their time to stand up and do what is right for them to do, which means baphahle bacele bashweleze bakhuleke kumvelinqangi bacele uxolo for the wrongs that the human beings have done. So that was my experience. That has been my experience. And I try to pray. I'm not saying I pray all the hours of ukulega, but I try to pray as often as I can. And I'm in conversation with uNkulunkulu every time. Ngikhuluma namadlozi ami sonke isikhathi. Abanye bathi mhlambe ngiyahlanya by doing that, but that is exactly who I am. And this is the time I term it mangikhuleka isikhathi esingcwele.
Yeah, guys, Sizwile, I don't even think, I totally agree with you. Ukuthi isikhathi sokushweleza, isikhathi sokukhuleka, isikhathi sokubona izinto esispenda kuzona imali ezingabalulekile. Isikhathi sokufunda ukuthi even if you didn't have savings, anything can happen. Even if you are saving 10 rand from isalary yakho. And isikhathi sokwazi ukuthi I cannot depend on anyone because a lot of our breadwinners are out of work. They can hardly support themselves. Isikhathi sokuthi zibuyele emasisweni, singahlali emafletini ngoba sithi ngeke ngiyohlala ekhaya emafamu yakhe nasekhaya. So that when times like this arrive, you know you can go back home and have a place to live. Because a lot of us are losing work. Personally, I've lost all my gigs for the year because I work where there can't be social distancing. I can't have a show. I remember you were going to have a big show at the Playhouse. It was a 1 or 2 week run. And that's had to be cancelled.
Yeah.
And
that's
like
the reality of what has happened. That's just the reality.
A lot of our peers cannot pay rent. They have to go home now because there's no money coming in. Some of them are going with amalupitins back to Indiodag. Some of them are going bayokipha abashana phe kwembhede because now they must come back and sleep kulo mbhede ongawuthenganga because wena wathi mekukhulunywa ngokubheka ikhaya wathi wena i-black tax.
Yep.
So isikhathi sokuthi sizibheke. We don't come from the same backgrounds. Some people really do not need to help ekhaya because already their mothers put them in suburbs. Their mothers can afford. We don't come from the same backgrounds. Isikhathi sokuzibheka ukuthi who am I? And isikhathi sokuthi sibe induthwane. We must start saving for the future. Sisilimazile lesikhathi sisilimazile kakhulu. So I hope you guys, you are coping well with lockdown. One of the biggest things that I think we do not address as Black people, which I would like you to address before singene odabeni lwanamhlanje. Today's main topic is about celebrities who become sangomas, who accept their calling. Is it genuine or is it just a fashionable phenomenon? Is it just something? Do they do it through WhatsApp? Do they have izangoma that teach them like UNISA through correspondence? Because we don't see them twasa, we just see them say to oh, this is Makosi. So we have those questions. And Makosi, but what I'd like you to first address is us as Black people, our relationship and our knowledge when it comes to inkinga zengqondo, because thina sazi ukuthi umuntu ohlanyayo ucosha amaphepha. We don't understand ukuthi some people baphazamisekile engqondweni due to what is happening right now. Asazi ukuthi khona amanye ama-conditions mhlawumbe njengo-bipolar, njengo-dementia. Thina sazi ukuthi uhlanya ucosha amaphepha. What can you say to us nabantu ababukelayo emakhaya about such things as depression nani nani?
I think a lot of people abangaziyo already know that I'm very outspoken about the fact that I've struggled with depression and sometimes still do struggle with depression. Abanye bathi kusiyona into ekufanele uyivume ukuthi you struggle with it, which is very funny because uma ngabe ustrugglisha with something, you need to get help for it. You need to get help, and you need to know what your help comes from. Umuntu okanje, nomuntu okanje, nomuntu okanje. So when people struggle with a lot of stress causes a lot of distress emzimbeni. Chemically, kukhona izinto ezenzakalayo engqondweni, and that leads to depression. And there are different forms of depression. Kuningi, and I am not a professional in the field of psychological health. I can only speak about stuff that I've gone through. What I know for sure is you need to be able to speak to someone so that you are able to get help. You need to be able to express what it is that is bothering you, because often it is the things that we don't deal with that just that pile up inside, and eventually we just need to let go, let someone know. Usually it needs to be someone that is professional. It needs to be someone that will keep your information confidential, because you cannot go around just telling anyone and everyone about what it is that is bothering you. And it needs to be a professional person who is going to guide you and make you see at which stage you are in of your mental health issues. You get guided by professional people. But most importantly, what happens is when you are in that place, in that very dark place, because it's very dark, just talking helps. It gets to a point sometimes where people's personalities are affected by depression. You find that you cannot leave even your room. You sleep, and you cannot get up, and you sleep, and you draw the curtains, uvale kube mnyama endlini, ungafuni ukukhuluma namuntu, ungafuni kwenzeke lutho, kuthiwe uyahlupha, kuthiwe uyahlanya, kuthiwe unjani. And that's when you have severe depression. That's really sometimes where you need to be hospitalized. And there are psychiatric departments in hospitals. There are psychiatric divisions that take care of people with mental health issues. So umuntu sometimes ufika to a point where they are suicidal. Umuntu ukuthi akayibulale, umuntu angazi. It's because there's a lot going on chemically. You are imbalanced engqondweni, and that is why it gets to a point where a psychologist works together with a psychiatrist ukuze bakunike some form of help uzokwazi ukuthi usizakale, uthola imedication, uthole ama-antidepressants azokwazi ukuthi akubhalansise emotionally, ukwazi ukubalansa and calm you down. Amanye akusiza ukwazi ukulala, because sometimes awukwazi nanokulala, ucabanga kakhulu. So chemically you are balanced. So, and sometimes uthola ukuthi khona into ekuhluphayo kanti it is not it's not mental, it is spiritual. And that's when you go to a traditional healer. A traditional healer will then either isangoma noma umthandazi are the ones that usually are, they are diviners. They are able to tell what is going on in your spiritual space. They are able to communicate with your spiritual beings, with your ancestors that step forward and say, this is what is going on in this person's spiritual space. And sometimes it is a calling for you to accept the fact that you are a channel through which the ancestors want to speak, through which your ancestors actually want to help people that are in the world. And isikhathi esiningi lokho kufika ngathi umuntu uyaphazamiseka, kusebe ngathi umuntu uyahlanya, kusebe ngathi umuntu izinto zakhe zonke ivaleka, awutholi imisebenzi, akuhambi kahle. Uthi uyazama, ushadile, kuyabhidlika, une-boyfriend, kuyabhidlika, unentombi, kuyabhidlika, kubhidlika into ey'ningi uma ngabe sekufaneke ubizo lwakho ul-recognize ukuthi I accept ukuthi mina I have a gift, I have a gift of being either umthandazi. And when you are mthandazi, you are basically a spiritualist. You pray, and that's how you assist, and you work through the Holy Spirit. and you work through your ancestors. It is a very strange thing when you hear it mawungekho kuyo. So, and sometimes umuntu uyisangoma, which means they heal traditionally through traditional medicine, and basebenzisa idlozi ukuthi bakwazi ucommunicate nama ancestors omuntu namadlozi omunye umuntu. Kukhona isithunywa, of which that is the part. Isithunywa sisetshenziswa kakhulu abantu abaphenduki abathandazi. Kukhona izangoma ezisebenzisa idlozi ukuze zikwazi ukuthi zicommunicate nabakini uma ngabe ufikile, naba abakubo lowo muntu oyisangoma bazi ucommunicate and say inkinga yalo muntu ila nala nala. So into ehlekisayo ukuthi kukhona abantu abaye baphiwe mbaxambili. Mina ngiphiwe mbaxambili. Kukhona ugogo engisebenza ngaye through isithunywa, that is why ngiwumthandazi. Bese bakhona ikhehla uphinda mshaye umntaka Madivi eBhunu. Yena ke usebenzisana nogogo, ngizothi yena naye unowakhe umsebenzi, but he works more as kunobungoma on the side of ikhehla. So isikhathi esiningi kuyaye kusebenza ugogo, uba ugogo operational, but ikhehla nalo malidinga makudinga ukuthi u-attendwe ikhehla, ke sithi uza kimi kudinga ukuthi u-attendwe ikhehla, uyafika u-attendwe ikhehla. Umntaka Madivi eBhunu uphinda mshaye. uThenjiwe umazi kahle ke bayabangani. Ubungilalele Thenjiwe ngikhuluma sonke lesikhathi.
Uphenduka indoda ke lapha akekho soke sangavuma mengithi umngane wami lo uMaNgcobo uDon bakathi hayibo lo baba lo asimazi baba lo. So sekushintshe yonke into ke guys.
So that's the strange thing that people don't know. Ukuthi you can be a vessel and two ancestors can utilize you as a vessel at the same time. Kodwa abafiki phela bobabili ngesikhathi esisodwa. Njengoba ngikulesi simo nje mina, ngikulesi simo ngoba ugogo okumina ugogo seduze kwami. Ikhehla kusho ukuthi he steps aside uma ngabe ugogo ekhona. Uma kuyisikhathi sekhehla, ugogo njengomakoti uyaqheluka ameceleni.
So Don Thandeka King. Thina sikwazi uDon Thandeka King, sikwazi TV, ukwinkaba sajabula kakhulu sikubona, sakubona kuma adverts, sakubona kuZalo, the most watched soapy in South Africa. You are uyi-lead kuleyo soapy. So thina sazi uMaNgcobo wethu, sazi uDon wethu. uDon wasebisangoma kanjani njengoba wonke ama-celebrity kuthiwa ngathi aseyizangoma? uDon wasebibona ukuthi hayi mina sengiyi-celebrity kodwa ngathi ngiyasala, kodwa ngcono nami ngibe isangoma ukuze ngiphume emaphepheni njengabanye ozakwethu esivela nabo ku-TV. Uqale nini indima?
Hey, ngiyafisa ngathi ngabe wakulula kanjalo. Ngiyafisa ngathi ngabe ngavele ngathi hey nami ngifuna ukuphuma emaphepheni ukuthi ngiyisangoma. Hey guys. Hey guys. If there's anything that you must know, it is not an easy journey. Mina idlozi kade la ibonakalisa ukuthi likhona, ukuthi mina engangingazi ukuthi nginabantu abadala. Kuyaye kuthi unabantu abadala because kusho ukuthi kwasekuzalweni kwakho you are chosen to have this special gift. You are a vessel that the ancestors use in order to live through baphilisa abantu bathini. So mina ukwazi kwami ukuthi nginabantu abadala, it was in 2009 lapho kade izinto eziningi zimoshakele. First, I had just moved to Joburg because when I was in Durban I was still in corporate. I was working in corporate. Ngathi mangimuva to Joburg, ngamuva with the intention to go and get my acting career up and running. So when I got to Joburg in 2006, izinto azihambanga ngendlela engangicabanga ukuthi izohamba ngazo. Ngabuyela futhi ku-corporate. SengiseJoburg manje. I used to work for a company that was based in Pretoria, but I lived in Joburg. I was in corporate again from 2007 to 2000 and I guess it mangabe idlozi lifika kwaku 2009. Ngaleso sikhathi kade ngilokhu ngihlushwa depression, ngiya hospitalized because I'm depressed. What I thought was depression, psychological sense ngaleso sikhathi. Kanti at that point manje sengiyabona my spirit was in distress because kwakukhona ama-answers kwakufanele aphendulwe spiritually engangingawazi. I was not aware of this. So 2008 I had a car accident in June. I-car accident engaba nayo yangenza ukuthi ngalimala umlenze wami wakwa left. That meant I couldn't drive, I couldn't go to work, and for about 4 months ngihleli ngingakwazi ukwenza lutho ngazi ukudrive. And when I need to go somewhere ngiyathathwa ngiyaqulwa ngifakwe emotweni ngiyadrivelwa. This is 2008. Usuyophela ku-2008 my knee was fixed ngaba right. Mawuphela u-2008 uqala 2009 again struggle with depression. Everything is, I'm not happy at work. I have a great job, but I'm not happy. I'm unsettled. I don't know what's going on. I'm just not okay. And then this one time, it was the 1st of April 2009. Ngibuye emsebenzini, I've just been discharged, so ngabuye emsebenzini. Mangibuye emsebenzini, ngiyafika ngihlele office, pinstripe suit nje konke nje. Madam Don nje. Well, some people used to uyazi ukuthi abantu babiza abantu nanomnani. Madam Don ubuyile emsebenzini, sizosebenza kumnandi. Ngisathi ayibo ngiyazizwa manje ukuthi I'm feeling umzimba wami is feeling. This is 2009, the 1st of April, kwakuwaboma 9:10 ngesikhathi. I even remember the time of day. Mangithi yabona nje kukhonjeni ngingathi ngithi ngingayazi lento ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngivele ngizizwe ukuthi no, khona into ethi no. Le akusiyona i-depression le uvele ufile engathi nje umoya wakho uyacwila ugcine nje ungakwazi ukuba umuntu ocommunicator nabantu, ugcine ngathi ungayivalela, ugcine ngathi ungalokhu ulele. Akusiyona leyo feeling, it's different. Khona into engathi iyalwa ngaphakathi ngathi yabona nje into kanjalo. So abantu base-office bathuke basabe base bakhuleke kube ukuthi usiston. Ngivele ngifonela umamncane wami eShowe, uMampume. Ngithi mina Mampume, something is happening to me. I don't know what it is. I'm calling her and she's at school and she's a teacher. She's at school eShowe. eShowe is in the north of KZN and it's far from Joburg. It's 6 hours away from Joburg. And I said to her, something is wrong. I don't know what it is, but something is wrong. It is not depression. Something is wrong. And she said, what? I don't know. Ngibeke phansi phone and I just, they calling. You know, and then bathandaze, fire. Oh. Kuze kufonelwe my husband, my ex-husband, he was my husband at the time. Afonelwe ukuthi akazongilanda. Angilandi. At this time, I think I am some months pregnant with my third born. And I think back south, I think a few months, but I'm pregnant. Angithathe kube ukuthi asazi what's going on, and we go and we make calls, and when he makes calls, people say akenizameni umuntu osebenza ngesintu. Okay, kube ukuthi we live in Germiston, the nearest township la esihlala khona was Katlehong. Ebese athole ukuthi asambe eKatlehong. Mase Katlehong siye kulomthandazi. Umthandazi mangifika nje kuye again this thing ikali. Ngivele ngihlale phansi on the floor. And then lo baba athi idlo selivelela selizigqabhukele lona because liyabona ukuthi selizikhuphukele laze laqhuma lona because liyabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi lo muntu ngempela she'll never give us the opportunity to actually utilize her body as a source of la bafika khona bafike and they come and they settle and they can help people, they can heal people. So that's when the journey actually began, and the journey was not an easy one. It was a very confusing journey. It was because I come from a background of I come from a Christian home. My family is Lutheran. My mother's side of the family is Lutheran, which is where I was brought up. And then my biological side of the family, AbakwaShembe, which means Isaiah Shembe umqali wendlela ukhokho wami, which means uJG Shembe Ilanga umkhulu wami, as in my biological umkhulu wami. So that means I have got I come from a Christian background, and then biology yami yakwababa, it's the Nazareth. So all of this, I guess, is in me. So abasekhaya kwamama, they are clueless about le journey ekuthiwa angiqale, but they were there. They were supportive, because my aunt and my 2 aunts and my 1 uncle drove all the way from Eshowe to Joburg. That the next day they drove all the way bazobona ukuthi kwenzakalani, kwenzenjani. So when we came back again from umuntu lo wayezomsiza, bafika late, very late at night that same day, because ngangimfonela ekuseni umamncane wami. So then the journey began. I had to call my mom, I had to call my other uncles and let them know ukuthi kuthiwa sekufanele ngithwase ngoba ugogo ukhuphukile and ugogo uhamba nekhehla. Ikhehla ke is my great grandfather. So nanso kwaqala lapho. Angazi Choma noma ufuna ukubuya uzongibuza ke ungibuze imibuzo ukuthi ke and then what happened, because then I can only answer what you ask me, otherwise ngizonkanta ngikhuluma igeography. Ivolume yakho Choma ayikho.
Thank you. Ngithi mina ubunkanda kahle kanjani ngoba indlela yakho wena oyazi kahle. Manje mengilonge ngikubuza imibuzo phakathi nendawo, mhlambe ngizoze ngikuphazamise kube khona esingasakutholanga. Kungcono ngikiyeke nje usinkantise uze ufike la othi hayi ke ngase ngibe umakhosi ngoba eyakho le ndlela angifuni ukukunqamula kanti seyayiphuthisela ngojuice.
Okay.
Makhosi.
The journey began, a very confusing journey, a journey where now fanele ngenza izinto ngaqala kumthandazi ke nayo ngenzisa ngendlela yakhe, kwenziwa amalati, ngiyagezwa la ngoba kuselokishini la kuhanjiwa kiwe nje esigangeni kuyokwenza izinto ezithile, ngenza amalati athile. It's confusing nami angazi ukuthi kwenziwani. Hayi kube ukuthi siyahamba isikhathi ngicabanga ukuthi saphela isikhathi somthandazo ukuthi angisize. There was never a point where I dreamt ukuthi kufanele ngihambe ngiye kwasibanibani. So the next person to help us, I was guided to this person by aunt wami, my cousin's mother ohlala eJoburg, ukuthi ngihambe ngiye kulo ubaba owayese ubaba uBaloyi uhlala I'm gonna my gosh, oh God,
Mhlambe kulungile uqalaphi ngoba bazoze bahamba bayomfuna.
But he lives okay, he lives somewhere in Joburg ke ngamqhathi.
Bazoze ikatlehong bonke sebeyomfuna, hayi ungazi.
Uhlala khona ke Joburg, uhlala eduze ke leli lokishi eliseduze kwase towards Pretoria. So ngihambe khona ke mangifika khona, hayi khona ke kube ukuthi ke khona ngihlahlubelwa ngesintu ke khona la kwamthandazi bengihlahlubelwe kusho ukuthi kwa pick up ugogo, because ugogo ohamba nesithunzi. Umthandazi uzo pick up phela ugogo ngoba ugogo uhamba nesithunzi. Mangifika ngapha kwababa la ku pick up ikhehla, because ikhehla lihambelana naloko abakusebenzisayo la ekhaya. Hayi bese kuthiwa la ekhaya no thina singakusiza. La ekhaya kuthiwa siswa ngeshangane. Remember mina ngumZulu wakwaZulu. Kuthiwa siswa ngeshangane la ekhaya. Kube ukuthi no iprocess ke izoqala ithi nishayelwe igubhu la ekhaya. Makushaya igubhu ke nihlala phansi la ekhaya, ngithe njalo ngikhulelwe, angazi noma ngiyakhumbuleka kanti ngihlala phansi la ekhaya on the floor. You obviously uyanikwa ilist yezinto efanele uyithenge, uyanikwa ufanele ukhokhe imali phela la ngoba usuqala iprocess yokuthwasa. Iprocess yami yokuthwasa was very strange because I kept on getting guided to certain people. So this was guided person number 1. So shawe igubhu la anigida uvele nje usuku ugide uhlala phansi umbozwe, which means makushaya isigubhu uyaphakama umoya uyakhuphuka umoya but uyabhonga but awukakagidi, to a point where I was told ukuthi umoya wami advance to very quickly. Kudliwa amagobongo la, so khona igobongo edliwa. Igobongo ke ingane zakwethu angikwazi ukulichaza ngesingisi, ezinye izinto there I cannot explain. You see, African traditional medicine, you cannot explain it in English. So most of the things that I'm going to speak about, I will speak about them in Zulu. So igobongo noma ibhudlu kwabanye abalazi kanjalo, it's when imithi eminingi ehlanganisiwe yokukhuphula neyokuhlela ngizothi ihlela umzimba wakho ukuthi ulungele ukwemukela umoya waledlozi efanele lihlale kuwo, futhi liyahlambulula, liqhelisa imimoya engadingekile, livula isikhala ukuthi kuhlale leli dlozi efaneke noma lamadlozi afaneke ahlale emzimbeni wakhe asebenzi. So ilento uthi mawuyishaya ibhudlu lento igobongo uma ulishaya kukhuphuke igwebu, busudla leli gwebu, ukudla kwakho leli gwebu. Masidla like mina angihlali la ekhaya, so ngisuka emsebenzini ngifike la ngishayelwe, kuthi uyashayelwa, ngifike la ngishayelwe and then ngithathwe ngigoduswe ngiyiswe ekhaya. On Saturdays siyafika sizosebenza ke, siyagqula imithi, senze siyaklina amathwasa ke, umsebenzi wamathwasa uyaklina nje moyithwasa, uyapheka, ninquma inkukhu ngoba kugezwa abantu, lama kugezwa abantu fanele kunqunywe inkukhu, kumixwa izinto, uyanyatshelwa ukuthi mixa lokhu, niyafundiswa ukuthi lokhu. So imithi eminingi yesintu ngayifunda lapho. So sizothi lelo side lekhehla leli ngihamba nalo ekwafanele lifunde ubunyanga. So ubunyanga ngafunda lapho kokuqala, kwakulapho ngafunda khona ubunyanga bokuqala. Uhambe hayi kuyahamba, nami ngiyakhulelwa ngiyahamba. So then sahamba saya kubo kababa le eduze kwase Mozambique somewhere. Then nasibuya lapho, I think ijourney yami nobaba yayiseyiphelile, because ikhehla then lase lithumela imessage ukuthi hayi sesibongile lapho, which meant yena oguidayo, because bekase ngaleso sikhathi ubese khuphukile, ubese kwazi ngisho ukukhuluma, because ufika ushayelwe ushunqisela izinto ezithile for a long time, ushayelwe ushunqisela izinto ezithile, ubhonge liyabhonga idlozi, labhonga idlozi, ma umuntu enedlozi nje uyabhonga nje. There's a difference between isithunywa nedlozi, and then isithunywa ngizochaza ukuthi sihamba kanjani. Idlozi lona liyabhonga, lana ke uyashayela, and then by the time ushunqisela lokho okushunqiselayo shuthi bese liyakhuphuka ke. Then mina lapho ikhehla ke uMadevebhunu, umntaka Madevebhunu uphinda amshaya, yila aqala khona ukukhuluma ke, ukukhuluma kwazeke ukuthi khona ikhehla eliphila emzimbeni kaThandeka. Lapho ke bese khona ukuthi bese asukuma ngenyawo bese yagida ke. Lapho bese khona ukuthi senginami sengiyabizwa ubaba mangabe ehleli nabantu, ngihlahlube nabantu. Mina ke indlela elisebenza ngayo ikhehla lisebenza ngomoya, which means amathambo noma ngawafunda amathambo, ngazama ukuwafunda ngaze ngahluleka ngoba ayikho into esethanjeni, ithambo azange lingikhombise lutho. Kunaloko bengizwa la endlebeni kukhulunywa nami endlebeni indaba yomuntu. So ikhehla lelo. So kwathi mase kuphele leyo journey leyo, ngicabanga ukuthi ngase ngifune enough. Kwase kuthiwa futhi angiyeke umuntu, ngaholelwa komunye umuntu futhi owayezoyena ozongisiza kakhulu ukuthi ngipractice, ngizothi ngikhuphule kwakumele kukhuphuke isithunywa manje. So ekukhuphukeni kwesithunywa fanele ngijwayele kakhulu amanzi, ngiyokhuleka la, ngiyakhuleka kakhulu ke at this point. I guess kuba angazi ukuthwasa kwabantu akufani, so ijourney yalowo nalowo muntu ayizokufana nejourney yami. Mina ngathi mangabe this is isembatho lesi izifana izembatho ngizigcokile aziphumanga ngesikhathi ngisesentwasweni le, ngithi mina bengithwasa ishangane, ngithi mina bengishayela isigubhu, ayiphumanga lapho. Ngithe mase ngifika la engithi bengikhona ngiye khona number 3 in fact, kwaphuma isembatho lesi screen esinesiphambano esimhlophe ngemuva, kwaphuma nengwele, kwaphuma ingwele njoba ngifakile nje. Kwase caca ukuthi nginabantu basemanzini kumele kuyokwenziwa kakhulu, ngihambe ngemanzini ngenzelwe izinto zasemanzini. Ngizokwazi mangabe uinterested uwazi indaba yedlozi, uzokwazi ukuthi mawunedlozi lasemanzini, idlozi lasemanzini either it heals ngobunyanga obuthile or unesithunywa uyakhuleka, so usebenza ngokukhuleka. Mina yila okwakhuphuka khona ke ukuthi ngisebenza ngokukhuleka. So mostly ngangikhushukela umoya wokukhuleka, ngizizwe ngathi ngiyabibitheka ngathi ngifuna ukukhala, ngikhuleke ngize ngingene elimini engakaze ngizazi ukuthi ngisuke ngingena kanjani ngithini lapho. So kwawukuthi at that point in time I don't think wayekhona umuntu who could help ngale ndlela kwafanele kwenze ngayo. Uzuthola ukuthi sometimes kuthiwa isithunywa sisalela ngemuva because abanye abantu abakwazi ukusenza, but uthola ukuthi umuntu akasho ukuthi angikwazi, umuntu uthola ukuthi enze but akasho ukuthi angikwazi. So lo OS3 ubaba wayengisiza asho ukuthi mina angikwazi ukwenza izinto zasemanzini kahle, but ubunyanga ngizoqhubeka nabo ukufundisa imithi. But into engangiyenza ngangithi makufika abantu on ngamasabatha, makufika abantu ngihambe naye ngiyobageza abantu. Mina ngifike ngikhulekele abantu, ngibakhulekele emanzini bese siyabageza nobaba abantu emanzini. So ispeciality sagogo ukugeza abantu nokukhulekela abantu. Ugogo usebenza kanjalo, uyakhuleka, uyakuprofitela, uyakugeza ugogo. So ngathi mangabe sekufanele ke manje khona la bekufanele iphothulwe khona le ndlela, ngahamba futhi ngaya kwabasi4 umndeni othile futhi wafike nawo wanginceda in the East Rand nakhona. Angifuni ulibele ngisho amagama abantu nama locations abantu ungaze nihlupha abantu. Mangifika khona ngakhona ngafike ngashayelwa kwawukuthi bakhuphula umndawe, bakhuphula isithunywa, bayazama ukuthi zonke izinto zami manje zibalance, ngabhalansiseka ngayo yonke indlela. Ngigida bese ngigida ke lapho ngigida ngiyafunda ukugida, kube ukuthi nekhehla lathokoza ke ukuthi hayi seyabona ukuthi uyakhula and futhi ngiyafunda izinto eziningi. Yilabo ke ngadla khona intwaso nakhona futhi it was not ukuthi ngihlala lapho, bengihlala egcekeni endlini la bengihlala khona. So intwaso yenziwa la bengihlala khona because i-instruction yekhehla lele ngihamba nalo mangabe ungayenzi the way asho ngakhona uyabonga umsebenzi wakhe athi hayi sengibongile, I move to the next one. So it would have meant ngangizomove, angazi ngiyomove to abantu abangakanani. So ngathi mangiqeda lapho sekuwukuthi ke hayi ngithwasile ngiqedile. Mawuthwasileke mawuthwa ideya yontwaso ke ziningi izinto ezingakwazi ukuzireveala, uvela ukwazi ukureveala nje to abantu abangenabo abantu abadala noma abantu abangathwasile noma abangathwasi. Khona izinto zethu ezisecret ekungafuneka sizikhulumise noma kanjani, and abantu faneke bazi ukuthi intwaso nje intwaso kusuke usuku uyagraduate, so uyafihlelwa something and umoya faneke ukuguide ukuthi uyithole leyo nto, uyayithola futhi and ukuze kubonakala ukuthi unedlozi uyayithola leyo nto leyo. Ila ubonakala khona ukuthi hayi cha umuntu unedlozi. And then after that ngase ngithola amathwasa, I think ngathola amathwasa ayi5 ngisase Joburg, ngathola amathwasa ayi5 nami ngisadidizela kule journey, but senginikwa amathwasa hayi ngizothi safunda sadidizela sonke because nami it was amathwasa ayengesiwona wami, ayakagogo nokhokho because ibona phela abantu abasebenzayo. So hayi sahlala kamnandi, but eventually ngagcina ngiphothulise amathwasa ayi2, labanye they fell on the wayside. So ngathi mangilapho futhi ejenini yamathwasa kwawukuthi kumele ngigoduke ngiphindele ekhaya, idlozi kumele liye ekhaya komama eMatshana. Mali ekhaya emama koMatshana phela kufanele khona ezinye izinto efanele ziphothulwe. Umalume waseLundi angilethele umakhosi waseLundi eJoburg, angimlethe eJoburg ukuthi azocheck ukuthi ngabe zonke izinto zenziwe kahle na. Ayacheck obviously sonke isikhathi kuyohlezi kungahambi kahle, but umoya ikhehla nesalukazi bebekhona besebenza, nginendumba yonke into beyikho, kodwa uyohlezi i-journey yethu is never such that it's complete noma uqedile. Bafika bathola futhi ezinye izinto ezingaqedwanga, kusho ukuthi ezinye izinto kumele zenziwe ngesizulu zu, uthola ukuthi ezinye izinto zazenziwe ngesishangane eqaleni kodwa ezinye izinto kufanele zenziwe ngesizulu zu. So they brought izinto back to kwenziwa ngesizulu zu. Ngaqala futhi ngadla amanye amagobongo, ngadla amanye amabhongo preparing manje for ukuyophothula ukuthi ngiye ekhaya. Must travel from Joburg to ekhaya, kumele ngiqale ngiye elwandle. Mangiye elwandle hawu inkukhu azikho, iziphi inkukhu zokugeza umakhosi na, hayi inkukhu sesendleleni kuthiwa hayi asiphindeleni. Ngihamba with a bus full of izangoma, ezinye zibuye eLundi angizazi, half of them angibazi, but nje it's just that mina angizange ngibe nokuthi nginekhaya, ngangihambe ngihlaliswa emakhaya, and I kind of understand my journey why bekuyenzeka kanjalo. Ngathi masifika then ngafakwa ngembuzi ekhaya, sahamba sangaya kuRonde bengakhiwele wona ekhaya kwama, saya erumini nje enye, sahlala Kathi mahleli kukhuphulwa ikhushulwa isithunywa ke, it's the day of isithunywa because that's the first day is usuku lwesithunywa. Sayisho ingoma kube mnandi kube khona into ngiphume ngiyochama mangiphuma ngiyochama hayi ngifike ngaphandle hawu kanti my family needs to talk to me outside. When they're standing out there and they need to talk to me outside, they're like, no, we've got somebody else from Egingindlovu to come and check if everything is going according to plan. Well, I remember my family is panicking. My family doesn't know this. And Nami, this is a journey that I'm guided by my spirit through this journey. And some of the things ngithembe ukuthi hayi this is in line with what my ancestors want. Masifika endlini ukhokha phakama ukhokha asho ukuthi hayi naye uyajabula ukuthi balethe omunye umuntu because there's a lot of inconsistencies that have been done by the people that I was with. Hayi mangifika hayi bese kuba ukuthi ke ngihlangana nomakhosi lo omunye angithatha umakhosi sihambe ne-family around 2:00 in the morning with my family and abomakhosi abayi-3 bangiphelezele basale laba abanye angifike elwandle hayi inkukhu sezikhona kwenziwe into yazelwandle 2:00 going to 3 yenziwe khushulwe lo kufanele khushulwe makufikwa mangibuya futhi sengiyongena ke kuRondavel indumba yasekhaya emsamo wasekhaya la bekufanele ngingene khona hayi ngingeniswe ke and then mangabe ngingeniswa hayi kube ukuthi umakhosi angisetaphele ibhudlu lele efanele ngilidle lasekhaya lokuthi ngizophothula ekhaya. By this time sekuhlatshwe imbuzi ngingenisiwe ekhaya kwabiko ukuthi ngibuyile inkomo iyeza sendleleni inkomo yafika ngaboma 2 hayi ngaboma 1-2 ngilishaya ibhudlu mangilishaya ibhudlu hayi ikhehla lami lacula ikhehla lami licule aboma 2 ekseni manje ngesabatha ngoba mina ngizokuchaza futhi ukuthi i-journey yami yokusabatha ukuthi iqhuma kanjani because abantu bayazi ukuthi I observe isabatha. Hayi ngishaya ibhudlu likhuphuke libe henye into ngathi lifakwe iomo lidle ikhehla ebese liyajabula and then ikhehla mawulibonile ukuthi liyajabula likhuphuka ngengoma hayi lasho umoya wami uyathokoza umoya wami uyathokoza uMadeve ebhunuke lo umntaka amadeve ebhunuke lo wayesekhuphuka ekhuphukela ukuzosho ukuthi cha uyayemukela into eyenzakalayo uyayemukela ukuthi usefikile ekhaya hayi wenziwa kumsebenzi kwagidwa ke emini kwaba mnandi. So i-journey yami was not a normal journey ukuthi ngihambile ngayohlala kwaGobela mangifika kwaGobela ngaze ngaphothula after 6 months after whatever. It has been a very long and difficult and expensive journey because nginekhehla elinenkani nginesalukazi elingafuni udoti. Isalukazi asiwufuna udoti in such a way that akafuni ukuthi ahandlishwe inoma ubani noma kanjani. Nginesalukazi esiholwa isithunywa so ugogo unobuluthela so unobuswenka phakathi njengoba umbona nje ugogo ufaka izibuko unobuswenka ugogo so nonsense kahle so in meeting up with people kuba ukuthi you meet up with a person and they have a task mabayiqede ngidlulele komunye. It sounds very strange, I know, but that was my journey and I'm still on it because it's never complete.
Yeah, so what I'm getting is that each and every person's journey is different.
Yes.
There is no one recipe. It's not,
and it's very complicated because omunye uzothi hayi omunye wenza kanjena nje. It's never like that. Idlozi alifani akekho umuntu ongenwe idlozi elifana nomunye umuntu because abantu bakini abafani nabantu bakithi. So uma bebuya bezofuna ukusebenza bafuna ukusebenza ngendlela ethile. And I think the deal breaker for me was when I realized ukuthi because ngahlala from 2010 to 2014 ngisebenza abantu ngingasebenzi as in ngingasebenzi umlungu ngisebenza abantu. 2012 I got my first break ku TV ngiyokwenza inkaba but mangenza inkaba during ukwenza inkaba bengilapha abantu mengithi mangibuye emsebenzini noma ngingasebenzi kufika abantu ngilapha abantu ukulapha abantu kwami bafika bayazi ukuthi ugogo uyakhuleka beze kugogo ikhehla likhuphuka at certain times makungena umuntu othile atriggerisha ikhehla it's for a certain reason ukuthi uattendwa ikhehla which means then I look in 2 different books. Uyazi Joma, I've got 2 different books, which means ugogo most of the time kwakugogo or attend ugogo umzothi hayi ugogo attend abantu because ugogo uthi mawufika uphatha amakandlela uphatha amanzi uyakukhulekela uyaprofetela ukubusisela amanzi wakho ubusisela amakandlela. That's how ugogo works. So a lot of people used to come bezo sebenza bezo attender but attendwe ugogo. Ikhehla ke likuphumela ama uyi special ngempela special case kuyakuphumela ikhehla because lona you converse with him, you more than ukuprofitela noma ukuhlahlubela, you have a conversation with him. And if you are aware, if umuntu ophapheme uzophatha ipen nephepha ubhale, because in him having a conversation uyakuhlahlubela wena ngeke wazi. So I work in a very different and strange way, that angazi, because I know how healers work. We don't work in the same way. We don't have the same gift. Deal breaker yami was when uKoko came up, wakhuphuka wazochaza ukuthi this was in 2013 was it in September or after September? I think it was after September because it was after my son was born. So he said to me, sengizoyeka ke manje ukusebenza abantu endlini kuphela. Sengizosebenza abantu wathi ngamazwi akhe okay, remember ngisuke ngingekho mina ngisuke ngitshelwa nengiyaxoxelwa. So this is mase kubuya information ithi sengizoyeka ukusebenza ngabantu endumbeni kuphela, sengizosebenza ngabantu in their millions, in ama millions, ngezigidi ngezigidi. In that moment it didn't make sense because I hadn't been working. 2013 Inkaba was not recommissioned. Inkaba yaphela ngo 2012 yanga recommissioner, which means 2013 I wasn't working. I was pregnant with my son, and I went back basically to working in ngisebenza abantu. Wayesethi ke uzosebenza ngegidi zabantu, and that was very strange because angazange ukuthi uchaza uthini. Little did I know ukuthi the following year, that was my break, I got the Coca-Cola ad. Go July 2014, I got the Hollard ad ngayithola ilandelana noZalo in 2014. So I got three very big gigs in 2014, and the biggest one was uZalo, which is where I'm still working. And if you think about it, it's 11.4 million. That is the confirmed number as bugayo. That's the viewership. There are more people, but that's the captured number that watches uZalo Maludlala on TV, which means because ukusebenza kwami is through my talent. My talent is performing. So mangicula abantu bayaphila, act abantu bayaphila, mangikhuluma abantu bayaphila, which means angikho tied down to ikona. Of course umuntu mayidinga ama services ami endumbeni ngisazom-attenda, ngiyakuhlahlubela, ngiyaprofita, ngiyakhuleka, ngithini, ngikuyise emanzini, siyakwenza lokho. But the bigger picture is i-gift yakho is for you to preach to abantu ngendlela ehlukile, khuluma nabantu baphile ngendlela ehlukile through performance. So so it for me yayenza sense kakhulu mangabe I eventually got into uZalo and I got a lead role, my first lead role, and then it just grew and grew and grew in numbers, and it's still growing. And I was at peace with what I was doing because I knew ukuthi even though angihlele endumbeni attend abantu daily, ngiyasebenza kusho ukuthi angisebenzi. So when I got into the entertainment industry, it was the plan kaNkulunkulu Mveli Nqangi, it was the plan of inkosazana engihamba nayo, it was the plan kagogo nomkhulu unokhokho ukuthi ngizosebenza ngabantu in their millions, not just 1, 2, 3 people abafikayo ngizobabona. This is the channel that they are using. This is the vessel they are using, and they can't abakwazi ukuncintsha. Remember I said my father's side of the family, because idlozi engisebenza ngalo is from my mother's side. Remember I said my father's side of the family ngizalwa kwaShembe mina, which means I had explained earlier which means umqali wendlela ukhokho wami, which means uJG Ilanga umkhulu wami biologically. Angikhulelanga kwaShembe, so that's why ngingasebenzisanga isibongo sakwaShembe, but ngingwakwaShembe. So that means also kusulelekile futhi ukuba wakwaShembe, because lo moya wokukhuleka, it keeps growing and growing, uyabona, which means iwona moya ngibalansisile ngapha nangapha, umoya wokukhuleka, umoya wokuphilisa, umoya wesithunzi, ubalansisile. So yikho ke ngi-observe iSabatha, because iSabatha is the rightful day lokukhonza uNkulunkulu. It is the day lokukhonza uNkulunkulu, iSabatha, of which iSabatha usuku lokugcina evikini, ngoba isonto usuku lokuqala evikini. Angizukungena into the politics ukuthi isonto kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi liphenduke libe yisonto la abantu abaningi khona bakhonza uNkulunkulu. Kodwa usuku lweSabatha kukhona ngisho eBhayibhelini umyalelo, angazi noma wesibili yini, ukuthi khumbula usuku lweSabatha ulingcwelise. Usuku lweSabatha yilolu. Lokho nje kuyaziwa. That is why simkhonza uNkulunkulu, simkhonza uJehova ngeSabatha. And akusiyona into engakhula ngiyenza. Ngithe mase ngifika to a certain realization spiritually, kwangibiza kwathi hlonipha usuku lweSabatha, ulingcwelise. So la endlini nje akwenziwa lutho ngeSabatha. I don't even attend to abantu ngeSabatha, because I get like I would get a random call ukuthi sicela gogo ukuzokubona, and random, I mean random, and mase efikile umuntu kumina kushuthi usuke kufanele kufika umuntu kusuke sekuyilento ukuthi ugogo fanele attend to a certain person.
Gogo kunanto la, especially because itopic yanamhlanje icacisela abantu ukuthi it's not ifashion ukuthi abantu mubabona bama celebrity bese ucabanga ukuthi awunalo say sangoma. Everyone's calling comes in a different way at a different time, ngendlela yakhe ehlukile. Number two, people heal ngendlela ehlukene. Even emandulo babekhona abantu abaziwayo ukuthi mase kufika usibanibani sizojabula, sizohileka emphefumulweni. Umuntu akaguli ngoba enesilonda nomkhuhlane kuphela. Kukhona abantu abasihila nje, wazi ukuthi mase ngibuka uzalo ngiyakwazi nokulala. Abanye bahileka by seeing their problems and finding a way to solve them just by watching uzalo. Abanye abantu bahileka nje ngokuthi bayathanda. Athi umuntu
akazi nayo ukuthi ungithandelani kodwa uyangithanda.
Athi
ayingithanda ukuthi ungithandelani.
Ngahlangana noDon yasengi-right. Abanye bathanda uma bezala, bathanda lamaskithi esiwenzayo. Ufika umuntu ethi nje, hey, lesikithi sangifica ngise endaweni ebucayi kanjani, samane sangipha. So kulashwa ngendlela ezihlukene. But into engifuna ukuyazi-ke engifisa ubacacela, ngoba mina I know about your journey, I know everything. Ubacacisela abantu ukuthi ngoba ukhulumile ngokuthi wawusebenza ema-ofisi and awunesikhundla esihle esikhulu sakwi-department usakwi-industry ye-tourism. But before that, ngicela bacacisele wawufundeni lo waze wayi-give up wayibona usuka tourism.
Ukufunda kwami ngafunda idrama. I did idrama thina sisayenza khona kwakuseNatal Technikon ngo-96 to 98. I always brag and say I did that course in record time. Ngaphuma ngagraduate, ngaphuma nesitifiketi sami, because I did something that I was passionate about. I didn't want to do anything else but drama. The only thing I ever saw myself do was perform in front of people, be it dancing, be it singing, be it acting. All I ever wanted was to perform in front of people. If you give me an opportunity to speak to people, I would just speak my heart out and motivate and inspire people. It's always been a thing of mine. So when I studied drama, I was healed in a way. I'm doing the one thing that I really, really, really wanted to do. And God bless my parents that they supported me, and my entire family, they supported me. And I did what I really loved. And they allowed me to do what I loved. And they would support me because when we are studying, we actually have plays at the theater that our families need to come and watch, because we were trained in theater. And so our parents would come watch, our families would come watch. It used to be something that used to heal us, to think, oh my, we are doing something that is actually making our parents happy, and other people, it entertains other people. So I studied drama, and that is my profession. I am a drama graduate. But I left the industry because imisebenzi ayikho in the entertainment industry in South Africa. It is very difficult to find a job. And the next job, the first job that I found, funny enough, needed my performance or my theatrical expertise, and I found that in the tourism industry. And basically my job was to deal with tourists and to take tourists around and just show them how the Zulu people used to live. But when you speak to tourists, you must remember you're speaking to people from different countries who, some of them, English is not their first language, but you need to speak it in such a manner that they all understand. So kwakuhlale kuthiwa isingisi sikadon siyezwakala, usizwa ngisho ngabe wase-France noma wase-Russia, and everyone used to wonder why. And then I always used to say, perhaps it is my my theater background, because we are taught to articulate so that people can hear everything that you're saying. So that, yeah, that's my career. What is that? That's my academic journey.
Yeah, so at least abantu sebeyazi ukuthi hayi awumananga nje, it's not something okuthi kwaba yiphutha ukuthi uyibone usuyenza, ngoba nakho kuthiwa sengiyisangoma awuthi ngizenzele nje amakhambana azongenza ukuthi uma ngifika kuma-audition. Ngoba ngangifunda naye-ke mina uDon wayesibulale, wawina wonke ama-award. So nje le ndaba yama-award ningacabanga ukuthi into yamanje, mhlampe aqale manje ukuthi usewina ama-award o-Best Actress no-Best Bani. Ningaze nicabanga ukuthi mhlampe khona akwenzayo endumbeni ukuze abe umlingisi ophambili. Ngoba kukhona nalokho ukuthi abantu bayitshela ukuthi hayi suka lama-celebrities aseyizangoma wonke, shuthi ingoba befuna ukuganga. Usuke waba nabantu mhlampe izinto, iy'nkulumo ey'fana nalezo eziza kuwena ey'tshengisa ukungathembi nje ukuthi hayi ngeke wena Don Thandeka King ube uMakhosi udlala ngathi. And how do you deal with that?
No, I don't think I've ever had anyone ridicule my calling, ever. I think it's because my very presence states the fact that I don't walk alone. I don't know. Mina, when I feel my presence, because you feel yourself, you can tell even when you are around people, your energy changes people around you. It's either, I always bring a lighter energy, I think. I always make people laugh. So you can't make people happy on your own. Something's gotta be with you in order for you to be that charismatic person who makes people happy. You've got to walk with something special. So I've always known there's something special about me, because whenever I'm in a crowd of people, with a crowd of people, or in a crowded room, the attention will always eventually just come to, I'll be the center of the circle type of thing, because of my jokes, or whatever, but I've always known that I've never ever come across anyone. Maybe they ridicule me in secret, but I've never been ridiculed. My calling has never been ridiculed. And I think I've always been respected, because I think I spoke up at the very beginning of my career as well. I think I went on Zaziwa very early. I think it was 2016 when I spoke, and I spoke about my journey as well. And so people are aware, and those that are not aware, it's because they missed that. But it's on YouTube. They can actually go and see that interview again. So no, I have not been unlucky enough to be good to we entertainment industry, and then suddenly, if it has been said, kushuti, I didn't see it, no, I didn't hear it, and ngiyatabula futhi, because I never want to hear anything negative. Angisiyena umuntu othanda izinto ezinegative. Ngcono ngingakuzwa noma ngakuboni, ngoba kuyangiphula umoya. Mina ngumuntu ophuka kalula umoya, which I always say I'm more spirit than physical. That's why ngisheshe ukuphuka umoya, ngoba umoya wami iwona ongaphe kwami.
Yeah, awuthi ngibatshengise ukuze bangathi uThenjiwe phela uzothina umngani wakhe. Fanele athi bafunda, sasike ukuthina befunda. Umngani wami wagrade mina ngikhuluma abangani abanejazi. Hayi abantu abahambe besitshela ukuthi nebazalwa bembese singababona nale ijazi yakho. Umngani wami-ke lona. Uma ngabe sikhuluma mhlawumbe sithi ama-awards kwasha kwacima. Nayi proof, thina sikhuluma ngento ene-proof. Best Actress lana kwi-Simon Sabela Awards.
Oh my.
Ama-SAFTAs wawine iy'fundo zakhe, and I think sonke siyavumelana. Khona umuntu awine, nithi uwine kanjani lona, noma nithi ubani manje lo? kodwa nje uDon futhi usesitshengisile ukuthi as an actress akufanele ube mhlampe into eyodwa, kuyasho ukuthi uhamba nabantu abaningi, uthi uma usungenile waba yi-character, umane ushintshele nathi, hayibo, lena nje ngicabanga ukuthi naye wayethanda uku-acta, wasethi nje ngizokufaka kule character, hayi lena ngeke.
I think ngihamba nama-entertainers mina, kuthiwa onontanda kubukwa-ke. Onontanda kubukwa.
Kodwa phela futhi angithi vele uyinzalo yabantu ababephethe, babefika endaweni baphathe obhishophi, abaphathi babasikazi, abaqali bendlela. So ngeke nje ufike bese uzoba nje kwi-background. At the same time, futhi you are a very good mom. How do you do it all?
Oh, wow. I think iy'ngane zami, they are my greatest blessing and my greatest achievement. I've always wanted friends. Growing up, I think it was just my sister and I. And uyazi ukuthi manilamana, ayi, konke yokuxabana nje ama-siblings anidlali ndawonye sometimes. Ngangijwayele ukudlala nabafana mina phandle. And, you know, I wasn't really close with my sister growing up. Angazi indaba. I think it's just a sibling thing. There's nothing to it. But I've always wanted like a twin. I always longed for a twin growing up. I wish I had someone who was my twin. Angazi why. And so God just multiplied me into 5 children. And he gave me friends in the form of my children. Because as they grow older, my children become the greatest performers in this house. Bayang performela, bayang entertainer. They are very artistic, these children. So I've been an influence in their lives. And I think I've been an example, a positive one, because and I try. I'm a single mother now. I'm a divorcee, so I'm a single mother, which means I'm handling a household ngedwa. And I always say, angihandlishi ngedwa, ngihandlisha ngedwa emehlweni abantu. Kodwa abantu engihamba nabo ibona abaphethelele ikhaya. Abantu engihamba nabo ibona abakhulisa lezi ingane. Abantu engihamba nabo ibona that will always give me the opportunities engiwatholayo ukuze ngikwazi ukubeka isinkwa etafuleni. Abantu engihamba nabo are the ones that want to shine through me by giving me the different characters that I keep getting. Ngoba indeed I ngingenwe ama-entertainers onontanda kubukwa because babe abantu babantu bephile emhlabeni.
Nangomunye lana uNhlanhla Mingcoya ethi nje she was Whoopi Goldberg eSunnyside.
eSunnyside noma eSunnyside.
Ubhala uSunnyside ngenza ukuthi ubebhala uSunnydale kwasho ukuthi uyawazi
I think and that person ungazi ngempela because I really used to love Whoopi Goldberg. And I remember I had thick braids when I was in Sunnydale, and I used to, everybody knew I wanted to be a performer.
So into yakho nje owazalwa ngayo ngelinye ilanga uyothi musivakashele sikhulume ngendaba yakho with your journey yokuperforma nokuthi waqala nini nokuthi ugogo wakusiza kanjani ekufosela ukuthi uyokwenza odrama ungazi nokuthi yini leyo. Kodwa-ke njengamanje guys ngicela nibe nibhala imibuzo ngoba ngifuna nithi hawu wahamba thina singasabuzanga lutho sisithenjiwe because mina umngane wami ngiyamazi. So ayikho into engizoyibuza mina engizobuza ngiyayazi ne-answer yakhona. Mina yini enifuna ukuyazi khona bese bebuzile imibuzo basho ukuthi isimningi kakhulu ama-comments so isicashile. Ngicela ukuthi ubuze umbuzo njengamanje ngicela imibuzo kuphela not ama-comments ngoba kugcina kuxabene. Abanemibuzo ngicela babuze imibuzo kodwa-ke sithi sisabuza imibuzo nje ngicela nje senze into enhle bakithi bahlali ake sisupport-e nje uJD ingane yaDoni une-YouTube channel. She has a very good YouTube channel. Ngicela si-subscribe nayo ilink yakhe sengiyifakile. Ngicela nje siklikhe si-subscribe ila uzobona khona-ke noDoni-ke nokuthi wenzani ekhaya ney'ngane zakhe bane-series emnandi ekuthiwa i-Grey Culture. Fanele ngi-encourage abazali kakhulu abanama-teenagers because usho ne-advice. Ngicela nje singase senze leyo nto. That's the only way we can thank uDon Thandeka King ukuthi azoshare nathi indaba emnandi kangaka. These are sacred stories. Even abantu obudlelene nabo bakutsheli indaba yohambo lwabo. So nje ngicela nathi senze ubuntu, senze ubuhle, simane nje siqonde la nayo i-link siyo-like nje siyo-subscribe nje sitshele nabangani bethu si-share ukuthi subscribe-ani nayo i-YouTube channel, si-support-ani. Ni-subscribe phela yami.
That's a beautiful thing, Choma ngiyabonga. Uthedini ke, I always say uzoba executive producer yala ekhaya uzoba iboss yami ngoba she is now currently she was trainee director and she was in the movie called Loving Togoza. I think it's going to be on Showmax on the 20th of May. She was continuity, Ubenzi continuity. And for those who know entertainment, bias the continuity, and that's quite a step. Usuge from lockdown season 5, waba wenzi continuity on Loving Togoza. So she's got quite an experience under her belt already, and I'm so proud of her.
And ngiyamthanda ke mina ngiyawuthanda uYouTube wakhe ngoba noma sengikhumbula umngane wami manje ngiye kubona uyavlog enza izinto abazenza ekhaya okuye ngithi hey ngengimtshele ke manje uDon ukuthi sengibabone benza ukuthi nje ufolowitheni nizobona izinto eningakaze niyitshele ukuthi hawu kanti uMangcobo udansa kanje mesekhaya nezingane zakhe. So nje ngicela nibalandele niwubuke. Now umbuzo from uMusazwane uthi do you still have indumba?
I hope that answers her question.
Question answered.
Inayo.
Banye bayancoma bathi you have beautiful children. Omunye ucela nickname yakho. Ngabe unayo nickname?
Tati. I-nickname yami funny enough. I-nickname yami yathathwa idlozi layenza igama lami lasedlozini. So ugogo growing up used to call me Uyidandi. So mangabe bekhuphuka sebebuya ngizothi sebebuya phela ngoba babuya through me base bethi igama lakhe lasedlozini Uyidadi dadi ngoba that's what they used to call me bephile emhlabeni. So I'm blessed, and that's why I'm saying si unique. Khona banamagama amadlozi ahlukile, but elami lasedlozini Uyidadi dadi, and that used to be my nickname as well.
Ngiyathi mesendlana naye emamall bese nithi Uyidadi dadi akuloneleni lelo gama. Ngifuna ukuza kohlola utholakalaphi ngabe usahlola kungaba abantu bangakwazi ukuthi bakucontact mebefuna ukuzohlola
inkinga ngizothini
angazi bazohlola bazoshutha
uyayibona inkinga manje kukhona isigaba efanele ngidlule kuso okwamanje anduba ngibe full time ngibuyele ekuhloleni okwamanje yes nginayo indumba kuyeza certain people, but also kubuye kube nalento ukuthi kuzoza nombani noma yabona kuzoza nombani nongasafuna ukuzohlola nosefuna ukuzoyibonela uDon Thandeka King nje. So kukhona iprocess efanele ngidlule kuyo ethile, and then ngiyosho kubantu mangabe sengisebenza futhi, because it would mean ngisebenza manje ngibasebenza kaningi ke manje abantu sengibuyele endumbeni and sengisebenza because my acting job ngiyasebenza still angimili ukusebenza abantu. So ngiyosho mangabe sengivulelekile ukuthi ngisebenze, but should I meet up with you somewhere kube ukuthi fanele uthola umyalezo wakho and ungibuza imibuzo, I can do that, but okwamanje fanele khona isigaba efanele ngidlule kuso ukuze ngikwazi ukuphinda futhi ngivuleleke ukuthi abantu bazohlola. Okwamanje kusa complicated.
Cornelius nje kusho nawe fanele uye emsamo wakho bacela ukuthi bakuthumele ngoba abanye bayayifikela bethunywa amadlozi abo mase befika baxoshakala. Unelo Mzomba, my favorite people, I love you so. Did it ever happen that uvukwe ngumoya in your acting profession?
Yes, it has happened. Makwenzeka lokho ngiyaye nginikwe ithuba lokuthi kwenzeke lokho kufanele kwenzeke, umoya ukhuphuke, wonke umuntu uyayaphume esethini kusale kukhona there are specific people that I identify as my spiritual people. Nami siyalinka in terms of spirituality. So abantu engizwana nabo ngokomoya ibona mhlawumbe babili emsebenzini lo engisebenzayo, yibona engiyaye ngisale nabo kube yibona ukuthi makuthi ikhehla liyakhuphuka lifuna ukukhuluma something, or something has bothered him, or something has annoyed him or angered him, mayikhuphuka kube yibona abakhuluma na, ngoba abanye abantu bayesaba kuyathusa. So seke kwenzeka, yes, but akwenzeki kaningi, it hasn't happened in a while, but seke kwenzeka. And some scenes uthola ukuthi some scenes they trigger ukuthi idlozi likhuphuke ngoba mhlawumbe liyalicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe mangikhale kakhulu noma ngikhala lize livuke because they don't understand how usebenza kanjani manje wayesephatheka kabi manje uyitati.
Mina ngicela ukubabuza lo bahlamba bazosaba ukubuza lo. Mekwenzeka uthole iphathi umane ukhastwe ezisangoma kufanele kuyiloyo phathi oyidlalayo ushisa impepho ugqokiswa kwesangoma ungayithatha iphathi enjalo?
No. Ngoba one angiyisebenzisi impepho emsebenzini nje lo engisebenzayo bayazi ukuthi ayishiswe impepho emsebenzini because angiyisebenzisi impepho and it affects me ngendlela enye opposite. Angiyisebenzisi impepho. I know it'll sound strange and we did say ukuthi sisebenza ngendlela ehlukene. Incense ugogo prefer incense sticks. So impepho angiyishisi. So whatever into engiyobe ngikhastelwe yona if I can advisor ukuthi i-tailor make to who I am. Khona kuzokuphambana ngoba in acting vele ngizogcina ngithi mu-actor you become a character and it's a very spiritual thing ukuba i-character as well because sukungewena so uyaye ku-criss-cross somewhere so uyaye ungafuni ukuthi wenze izinto ezizochukuluza isimo oyisona kwamoya. So mina personally I've tried it. I think I did it once without knowing where uKoko just took over. He took over. Wavele wawuye ke o-actayo. So and then the second one I think Isita or something khona le kade ise TV khona manje. Nalapho I could feel ukuthi he was but yona it was very calm. It wasn't isangoma lesi kwakuthi mhlawumbe ngumprofeti type of situation but ngangumuntu la abantu abasebenza ngamanzi they usually bahlukile ezangomeni because izangoma uyothola ukuthi umuntu osebenza ngamanzi uyazamula isangoma siyathimula i-example leyo. So I opted to make the healer because I had nganikwa i-choice yokuthi ngimenze kanjani so ngamenza ngendlela ethile.
Hey guys, nenze show yambona ukuthi uDon wangena idlozi laligqoka iqhox neyibuko yikho eyithanda kanjeni. Nifanye nithi mengabe niphahla nikhululeka nicela ngicela ungenwa idlozi lalu CEO idlozi lalu supervisor noma steward ungabe uthi ungenwa nje idlozi elalisafuna amatoho kwalona elalumahlalela ngoba nawe
and also into engifuna ukuyichazela abantu ukuthi kakhulu uma ungenwe idlozi lasemanzini uyayibona ukuthi umuntu uthanda izinto ezicwebezelayo khona abantu abaye baphikise ukuthi yabo ngisanda noma ngiphothula kakhulu mina ngangitshela ubuhlalo bami ukuthi kufanele wenze ubuhlalo obunje and ngangizenzela mina ukuthi yenza ubuhlalo obunje obuhambelana kanje emakhalazi kanje ngangiyibonela mina yonke mina into engiyifaka emzimbeni wami ngisuke ngiyibonela. So uthola ukuthi bafuna into ezicwebezelayo bafuna amabhengela gold bafuna amaringi bafuna amacici nama-necklace izinto zasemanzini lezi ezihambelana namadlozi asemanzini. So just abantu bazocaciliseleka because mangabe ufaka izinto ezicwebezelayo uthi uyisangoma then they don't understand. Uma uthanda ukuba muhle ke sithi nje uyayibuya uthande ukufaka izinto kuvuke nje ube muhle usuke uvukwe umuntu omuhle umuntu ohambelana namanzi.
Yeah guys ngempela kufanele kuthiwa uma ungenwe idlozi kufanele izinto zakho yicace ube umuntu okhanyayo noma uvele kuye kube buhlungu kanjani mengifana uthola ukuthi ubona isangoma lo makhosi osebenze ey'mobeni wangenwa idlozi elinjani kanti yena yabo fanele niphahle nithandaze. Mina nje angifuni ukungenwa idlozi elalingawona u-CEO ngifuna umuntu oyephethe ngoba ngiyathanda ukuphatha mina ngithanda ukuqashwa ngifuna ukuyisebenzela mina. Uyofesa kanti wangenwa idlozi elalifesa nalo lazi lahamba emhlabeni. I am reluctant to start my journey, but you are giving courage to start with advice. What advice would you give umuntu ozaziyo ukuthi unobizo kodwa reluctant ukuqala indlela yakhe ijourney yakhe?
Okay, Sindile. First of all, let go of the fear. Khulula umoya ngoba noma ungabaleka namhlanje ngeke uzucasha ayicashelwa ke le njini. Sometimes uthola ukuthi umuntu athi agijima ahamba kubafundisi athi abamthandazele kuxoshwe umoya uthola ukuthi kuzothi dam idlozi lithi uyangixosha kulungile ke liqhele limele uyohlupheka uthola ukuthi umuntu umbone kade ehamba amasonto athile enza into ey'thile uhlangane naye years down the line esefaka ubuhlali esethi nje uyathwasa. Awuhleki-ke makunjalo, you simply just encourage and you support because akulula ukwamukela umoya guys, akusiyona into eloba kufika mnandi uqala ubhukruzeke phansi qala wona into zakho imoshakala nje. So uma usa-reluctant kusho ukuthi abakakwenzile ukuthi osilindile. Uma usathi reluctant kusho ukuthi abakakuhuduli phansi, kusho ukuthi abakakulahlekiseli ngezinto ey'thile. Mina nje I'm divorced and mhlawumbe angibaqambeli mangithi kakhulu ibona babe ngifuna ukuthi ngiyimele geqe kanje. So kubukhona ukwemukela umoya but yehlisa nje umoya, yemukela. It's a journey ongena control yayo.
Enye into engingayinezela nje mhlampe lapho emakhosi ukuthi wena Silindile, into yokuqala ofanele ukuthi let's go off ukuthi bazothina abantu, ukuthi bazothina abangani bakho. And another thing, that's why for me it's very important ukuthi senze lama-series ukuze nibone ukuthi elemekuthiwa umakhosi akushiwo umuntu ohluphekayo, akushiwo labe esibabona kuthiwa umama Zahara bakhulisa iy'nduku babuyisa amalosi lava. Indlela yobungoma ihlukile, akushiwo futhi ukuthi usuzohlala endumbeni. Uthola ukuthi bafuna ukukuvulela inhlanhla yakho nawe mhlawumbe ukuthi ugcine nawe umama wabo somewhere.
Nanokuthi fanele kusebenza abantu, akusikho nanokuthi fanele kube ukuthi kufanele nje kube khona izinto oy'lungisayo ey'bhekene nawe abakhethe wena ukuthi uzenze uy'lungise, ulungisela bona ukuze nabo balungisele wena bese beyakukhulula emva kwalokho. You don't necessarily, akusiwona wonke umuntu ofanele ahlale endumbeni nalapha abantu.
Yeah, mhlampe ngeke ulaphe ngemithi, mhlampe uyolapha ngamahlaya. Mhlampe uyayibona iy'ndlela zokulapha. Mhlampe futhi uthole ukuthi omunye uphiwe ngempela ahamba entwaseni, kanti uphela uzolapha izinto la emndenini wakhe, hhayi emzini yabantu. So ijeni nejeni yomuntu ihlukile. Forget ukuthi abangani bakho bazothini nabantu nomakhelwane, nokuthi silimele sabantu abamnyama ngendaba yezinto abafika belungu basidemeja ngayo engqondweni. So manje
Silindile nje into that I'm picking up inkolo ukuthi kakhulu umuntu ekhaya kubo abantu besonto. So Silindile into engiyipick up-ayo ukuthi usaba lokho ukuthi uzoyiqalaphi nje leyo ndaba ekhaya ngoba ekhaya kuyasontwa. Abayizwa nje indaba yamadlozi, abayizwa nje kuthiwa ekhaya amadlozi amadimoni, siyizwa nje indaba yamadimoni. So uSilindile I'm picking up, angazi kanjani but umuntu kanjalo I hope ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ambuleleke ukuthi ayikho into wrong ngokuhamba this journey because uNkulunkulu ukhonzwa ngey'ndlela ezehlukene. So uma ukhethiwe ukuthi wena ube uphilise ngendlela yesintu, uphilisa ufana nje nomfundisi osesontweni, nawe uma uphiwe isiphiwo sokuphilisa. Angithi i-calling fana nonesi is a calling ukuthi anakekele abantu. Dokotela it's a calling. We all have different kinds of calling. Abanye bethu sinama callings ukuthi sibe izitsha zamadlozi ethu, afika amadlozi ethu azokwazi ukusiza abantu abasemhlabeni abasaphila.
Nangomunye ecela i-YouTube channel yakho.
Thandeka King, sengizoqala ngibe active mngani wami.
Uyicebe ukuthi mina kade ngangikugqugquzela.
Kade kwase ngigqugquzela umngani wami kodwa mina ngangingasiboni isidingo futhi ngizosho nje ngisho ukugcwala umlomo ukuthi I was a fool. Ngize ngadlulwa ingane uJaydini has been active on her YouTube channel. Nami uDon Thandeka King ileyo nto nje uvela utype lokho nje yimi lowo uzongithola. Kukhona okuncanyane engikufakayo kodwa I think I'm going to use it meaningfully now because this is the new way of communicating with people and this is the new way of actually reaching out to people, motivating them, encouraging them ngoba it's a difficult time at school.
Okay, imake before just address Helen, ama questions ngizowaziba kufanele siwa address ngelinye ilanga because njengamanje sibuza ama questions direct ku Don, ngibona njengama questions abuza ukuthi is it possible to ask amadlozi ukukwehlisa ulaka. Leyo ama topic afanele axoxe ngelokhuzana nge-episode yawo. Njengamanje sibuza ama episode directly directed to uMadevethu. Does indumba still need to be around a thatched hut or house even namanje? Asayise si-addressa leyo mase siyibekile.
Leyo ngizothi cha ngoba ake sithi nje okay mina ngeke ngisebenzise i-example yami Thoma la engaqala khona ukusebenza abantu ngangisebenza indumba yami was i-granny flat. The entire flat was dedicated to being indumba, which meant namathwasa ekhona ayilala khona yayine nje i-granny flat wonke umuntu uyazi i-granny flat into enjani. So ngakhe ilokhu ngana la engangihlala khona because kwangakabi sizona indawo eyami, but mase kunendawo yami yes uRondaville uyadingeka izalukazi lamakhehla ziyadinga indlu yesiZulu ezohlala kuyo ozosebenzela kuyo, but akusho ukuthi la ukhona mawukwazi ukwakha ake sithi nje njoba thina sihlala lesimo esihlala ku fanele kube khona indawo engisebenzela kuyo. So I have i-study sami. I always say i-study sami sala endlini is my sacred place, indawo yami yokusebenzela, indawo yami yokukhuleka. So yes, it needs to be indumba, it needs to be uround, kodwa ake sithi ula esilungini awunawo awukwazi ukungabi nayo phela indawo yokukhuleka neyokusebenza, ebese mawusuthola ithuba lokwakha uwakhe ngoba uyadingeka.
Okay, khona bacela i-link futhi I think isidukile la kuma comments ngoba maningi kakhulu sengiphinde ngayifaka futhi i-link uKing Dean uzombona lapho uzo-enjoya kakhulu i-content yakhe. Uthi omunye umbuzo wami uthi isithunywa sithatha isikhathi esingakanani ukusebenza?
Njoba kade ngishilo abantu abafana, abantu abangenwanga abantu abafanayo angazi, but isithunywa sikhuphulwa kakhulu ukukhuleka. Akufaneke ube umuntu okhonza ukulala uma umuntu onesithunywa. Faneke ngo-12 wena u-12 ubonwa wena uyakhuleka emakhandleleni akho eli-yellow, eli-blue, elimhlophe uyakhuleka. Uyotshelwa futhi ukuthi mangabe kuwukuthi add ezinye izibani ekukhulekeni kwakho uyatshelwa nokutshelwa nangokuthi why u-add izibani, because izibani sisebenzisa kakhulu amakhandlela. Mangithi izibani ngisho amakhandlela, sisebenzisa amakhandlela, sisebenzisa amanzi, sisebenzisa iwasho ke you find them in different forms like bath salts, they look like bath salts or powder bathile. Sisebenzisa into ezikanjalo that are salt based or salt amakhandla. Abantu ababazi abathandazi basebenza kanjani bayabazi, but kakhulu usebenzisa amanzi. Khuleka ungalali, umuntu uma ngabe efuna ukukhuphula isithunywa khuleka ungalali. Ngo-3 uyakhuleka unawulele, ngo-4 uyakhuleka unawulele, ngo-6 awukhuleka. Futhi nje awunabo ubuthongo uma ungabe umuntu onesithunywa uyakhuleka nje. Yilapho-ke uzothola khona ukuthi isithunywa sakho siyasebenza. Kuwe ngaphandle nje ukuthi uthathe uyiswe emanzini empophomeni nakuphi, siphela siphila kuwe, kufanele sikhushulwe uwena.
Itumeleng Mathosa uthi uyaxakeka yena, so weird seeing the two of you having a serious conversation. I just love both of you. Siyakuthanda nathi, siyakuthanda kakhulu.
Kuyasho ukuthi siphinde sibe abantu abaserious, sabantu bangempela phela.
Nangumaqhawe Dlamini uthi manje yena kaganiwe, neprofile yakhe iyasho ukuthi real men don't rape. Ngicela sisabangaganile aba-available niqale nixhumane
bamxhume.
Maqhawe na umendo uyizela. Na umendo uyizela. Angifune umuntu ozothi akaganiwe uMaqhawe efuna unkosikazi, akaganiwe uMaqhawe. So we had seen the two of you. Link, please. I've just added the link again. Let me edit again. Uzoyibona nje. Bese niya lapho ke ku YouTube ke nimfollowish. Funa nisho nje ukuthi your mom brought me here or Thenjiwe brought me here. Ngizobona ukuthi thina nathi siyamsiza ukuthi mase la sonke.
Siyamsebenzela.
Babuza ngonkunzi lapho. So besiyixoxa into zozala. It sounds strange. Name of your channel ubeseyishilo Don Thandeka King. Siyabonga mkhulu. Ngifuna imibuzo ngoba mase ngivalile akho umuntu ozolokho inboxa la ibuza imibuzo. Profound on the acting part kanti niba kwamoya when you act a different person.
Oh yeah. It's a very ukuthi abantu ena bakuthatha wena mnganami i-acting bayithatha kancane ngengqondo yezikesh yabo. ngengqondo yokuthi hayi siyadlala, akudlalwa laphayana. Because when you are like, for instance, bayazi mina mangiwumangcobo bayangibona ukuthi ngumangcobo, bayangibona akekho umangcobo la, akekho umangcobo nje umuntu ongekho la. So but mase ngingenile kwi-character kamangcobo bayabona ukuthi hayibo nangumangcobo. So
nawe futhi uyamuzwa manje
ukuthi ngeke siyichaze ukuthi yenzeka kanjani.
Uyamuzwa nawe ukuthi hayi uphi umangcobo.
Yeah.
Uthi omunye, how do you control ukutshela i-stranger iy'ndaba zaso, uqala ukumbona umuntu, uqala ukubabona ngoba lento ugcina ugula uma uyiziva?
Uyamcela uxolo umuntu uma ngabe kuwukuthi iyakuhlupha, ngoba kukhona ukuthi ikuhluphe okwangempela, kuwukuthi lowo muntu kufanele athole usizo from wena by you just saying uvula into ethile, mhlambe yena ubengekho aware. Umcele nje uxolo. Ake sithi mhlambe sephathini sokubeka kanjalo, just umcela uxolo niphume phandle, usho ukuthi uxolise kumuntu uthi ngiyaxolisa kodwa kukhona into engifisa ukukutshela yona, nakho kanje. It's up to uyena kumuntu ukuthi uthatha kanjani, kodwa wena usuke usuyikhiphile kuwena, isuke isikuyena, isihleli kuyena, ngoba uma ungamtshelanga izokuhlupha wena emoyeni.
Nangu uNonhlatawu uthi yena ucela idlozi lama-million. Hayi ngeke ungafundi ukungena idlozi lawo liwumatapa udaka. So kubona nawe unamabhaya nodaka, uyabona nje fanele ucele uthandaze ukuthi hayi abahlehla ababehlupheka, abahlehla abeza ngokuhlupheka. Let's don't hush on the family ezuzalo. Sithenge siwaphendule njengamanje ngoba we are running out of time. Ama-questions ozalo siyowenza ngelinye ilanga. Bayayifuna i-channel yakho Don, ngicela ube active ngempela, ngizokuhlala iy'thela.
Ngenza ukuthi ngiyaxosa bese ngixosile, ngithanda kakhulu Instagram, so sengizokwenza konke.
Kuyinto ekhona ukuthi idlozi liyayivala imizwa kuphathini wakho.
I wish he could have explained more ukuthi uthini, kodwa ke ngizokuchaza kanje. Ake sikubeke ngokuthi umuntu onedlozi. Uma umuntu onedlozi, idlozi lifina noma isithunywa noma isidalwa, ngizokubeka kanjani, isidalwa sidinga ukudila nawe noma sidinga ukuthi wenze into ethile ngaleso sikhathi. Kuyaye kufike la uyithola khona ungathi awufuni lutho eduze kwakho, awufune umuntu wesilisa eduze kwakho uma umuntu wesifazane, awufune umuntu wesifazane eduze kwakho uma umuntu wesilisa, ungafuni lutho nje. Isidalwa sisuke sadila ngawe, sisebenza ngawe, kukhona into eserious ekufanele kuyenze. Khona lento yokuyithiba ebalulekile uma umuntu kamoya, ukuyithiba lokho kuthiwa i-fasting. Ukufasta kubaluleke kakhulu. Uma ufasta awufasti kuphela ukudla, ufasta being intimate, ufasta into ey'ningi, ufasta alcohol, ube pure in spirit, nomzimba wakho uzame kakhulu ukuthi ungangcoliswa yilutho, ngoba ilapho umoya ukhona. Uyabona ukuthi umoya uyinto pure eclean kanjani, awufuni ukuhamba usondela nezinto ezingcolile. So ukufasta umuntu wesifazane uma umuntu wesilisa uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe kuthiwa fasta for 2 weeks, lapho your partner needs to be an understanding partner. That's why isikhathi esiningi uthola ukuthi people abanomoya bagcina bengenawo ama-partners, or if bengenawo ama-partners a-understandayo, or noma eqale understand umuntu bese yakuhlupha, isidalwa-ke siyamqhelisa kumuntu okanjalo ozophazamisa indlela yakho. So uthola ukuthi uthi usahamba kamnandi kusamnandi, usumbona useqhelisiwe umuntu, hawukwenze njani, uphazamisa uhlelo lwesidalwa.
Uthi uFaith Barnes, kudala mina ndiyibalekela bosisi bami, kunzima ngenxa yefamily nenkonzo. I'm suffering from depression as we speak.
So it's up to you ke Faith, wena, it's up to you, wena zitshele ukuthi ufuna ukuphilela ifamily yakho nenkonzo. Njengoba siku lockdown nje kanje, I'm sure sekuvulelekekile kuwe, sekwembulelekile ukuthi spiritual journey sakho is in your hands. It's not in the hands of isonto, it's not in the hands of abazali bakho, it is in your hands. Ngoba mina ngizokwenza example ukuthi, what if i-COVID-19 kwakungesi i-COVID-19, what if kwavele kwaqhamuka nje kwathi mbo, kwaqhamuka nje isibhakabhaka sahlangana nomhlaba kwathi mbo, kwabe ukuphela kwethu njalo. what would have the church, what would it have to do with the church? Nothing. What would have our parents have to do? Nothing. Sekuyisikhathi sethu sokuthi siphindele to our maker. So when we are called spiritually, let's pay attention, because that is our awakening. You need to be awake spiritually so that you can understand ukuthi izinto zasemhlabeni really azichazi lutho. Umuntu mayekuvimbela for you to be awake spiritually, uphazamisa uhlelo lwempilo yakho, uhlelo lukaJehova, uhlelo lweyidalwa zakini, uhlelo lwengilosi ehamba nawe wena khonto wayifikela la emhlabeni. Remember, our parents are just ipassage ukuthi sifike la. Fanele siwahloniphe, but mase kuphumile ukuthi umuntu unobizo, muyeke umuntu aphile mzali, yeke umuntu aphile ipurpose yakhe ayifikele emhlabeni, ngoba ipurpose ayifikele emhlabeni musumvimba wena, you are just prolonging the journey for umuntu ukuthi iqale. Kanti mayeqala umuntu as early as possible, ziningi izinto angayi-accomplisha umuntu. Kumanje it is spiritual healers that need to heal the world. Ayikho spiritual healer fanele ngabe ilele ngo-12 noma ngo-3. Kufanele ngabe kuyakhulekwa, kukhulunywa noNkulunkulu, kuyashwelezwa. It is the spiritual healers that will heal this world.
Yeah, hayi ngiyavuma kakhulu lapho. Bese futhi enye into ekusafanele sicacise kakhulu, enye itopic leyo ebalekile kufanele sike singene kuyona. Njengoba nje ngisho ukuthi as abantu abamnyama eSouth Africa silimele kakhulu because ukuphazamiseka kwehistory yethu. Inkolo ayifikanga nabelungu, ukuthanda uNkulunkulu akufikanga nabelungu. So uma umuntu kaNkulunkulu, umntwana kaNkulunkulu, umntwana othandazayo, akusho ukuthi sekufanele uqhelelane nezinto zakho ze-culture. Bafika kuthandaza, bafika bethandaza, bebizwa omkhulu bomkhulu. Amadlozi are just receptionist. uNkulunkulu uyi-CEO, and for you osemhlabeni ukuze uxhumane noNkulunkulu, you go through abantu who have lived and walked le ndlela oyiphilayo njengamanje. Bese kubona-ke bese bekisela uNkulunkulu. Akusho ukuthi ungabe unamakhosi noma unedlozi noma isithunzi awusathandazi-ke wena-ke usuyaqhuma uyaphalaza. We need to
and that's one thing abantu abangayazi, mhlazi ngibadabukela abantu. Uyazi njengoba ngihleli lana Choma, mina nginehlabelelo esidala saseLuthela, esidala size asinayo icover, because mangikhuleka ngifanele ngihlale ngiqale ngimeditate, and then I will hear the song that ugogo wants for the day ukuthi ngilicule. Ngiyoqala ke ngiwacule wonke amaculo awafunayo from i-hymn book ayecula ngayo, ebese ngifunda ivesi losuku. Funda ivesi losuku and I mark unkatho. Unkatho is when you just open to amavesi afanele akhulume nawe spiritually. Ngiyabadabukela abantu abacabanga ukuthi traditional healers don't know uNkulunkulu. Ngiyabadabukela because ngiyafisa ngathi ngabe singanichazela ukuthi iprocess yethu iyayihambe kanjani. Uma uthwasa entwaseni kuba khona isikhathi sokuthi ugidelwa ukuthi ukhushulwa idlozi, bekhona isikhathi sokusonda kusuke kukhushulwa isithunya lapho, bese kubonakala lapho ukuthi umuntu uphiwe ngakuphi. Uma ngabe ukhuleka ngo-12 ukhuleka, kufanele kukhuphuke umoya wakho, ukhuleka uNkulunkulu, ukhuleki anywhere else. Abantu they have this thing ukuthi sikhuleka amadlozi. Ulikhuleka kanjani idlozi? Ngoba idlozi ilona elisithunyelwe uNkulunkulu ukuthi lixhumane nakhona. Akusiyena wonke umuntu onesipho, so akusiyena wonke umuntu ofanele understand ukuthi idlozi umsebenzi walo unjani emntwini onesipho. But wonke umuntu unamadlozi efanele awahloniphe ngoba they are closer to uNkulunkulu than we are. So mawukhumbula nje Chomi, into yakwaZulu ithi ingane ayiveli nje isuke ihambe ziyokhuluma nobaba zimbuke emehlweni. Ingane mayifuna something zihamba ziye kubani? Kumama, ziyocela mama, sesacela ukuthi ubaba asithengele ibhluke lami lasesikoleni selihebhukile, ngisenazi icathulo. Athi kulungile bantu bami, ngizophekela ubaba inkukhu emnandi, ngimphekele ubaba ukudla kwakho kumnandi. Uzothi mayesesuthe sedlile ubaba, ebese ngiyahlala naye bese ngiyamcela ukuthi anenzele lokho enimcelile. Ubaba ke ebese yayithengela ingane, bese biza abantu umama nina mawabo hamba ubanike. Angithi isiZulu leso. So umuntu wakwaZulu ekukhonzeni kwakhe umveli nqangi took the very practice eyenziwa ekhaya, wathi uNkulunkulu ungumveli nqangi, uyesabeka. Angifuni ngisho ukuze ngikhulume ngcono, ngikhulume nobani, nogogo nomkhulu. ibona ka sebeyongikhulumela naye bangicelele konke sengiyobona ngokuthi kwenzeke kahleke bese ngibonga futhi kogogo nomkhulu through them ngibonga uNkulunkulu hayi ukuthi ngisuke ngikhuleka gogogo ngikhuluma nabo ukuthi i-channel ukuthi ngiyelebo ngoba mina angikwazi ukukhuluma noNkulunkulu direct leyo ukuthi siyikhulumele noNkulunkulu maqondana direct yafika nabelungu thizeni ababephethe angazi lokho ababekuphethe base beyayijika lento angithi phela esilungwini umuntu umbuke emehlweni ukhulume naye esintwini umuntu ubhekisa phansi ukuhlonipha lokho umuntu vele ukhulume noma kanjani nomuntu omdala ngesilungu esintwini umuntu omdala uyamazi uyini so that is why silahlekile ukuthi into yethu yajikwa yenziwa isilungu yikho singa-understand nayo inqubo yamadlozi ukuthi ihamba kanjani akekho umuntu okhonza idlozi akekho umuntu okhuleka idlozi uNkulunkulu yedwa akekho futhi umuntu ofanele ampersonalize uNkulunkulu athi uNkulunkulu wakhe mkhonze ngalendlela omkhonza ngayo ungathi mina ngoba ngimkhonza through ogogo nomkhulu bami ngendlela yami engiyibizelwe ebese ucabanga ukuthi mina ngimazi mhlawumbe ngimazi ngaphe kwakho mhlawumbe iBhayibheli leliselze laqhebhuka laguga nje ingoba ngiyaliphila so I fear ukuthi into yethu yalahleka ngoba sithanda kakhulu into zabanye abantu
yabona nje lento yokuthi sithi thina mina ngiyayikhulumela noNkulunkulu mina ngithandaza uNkulunkulu direct uqinisile nakho ukudelela ngeke ngibuze nokuthi hawu no Jesu angisambizi nangobhuti Jesu nje senembiza ngegama kodwa ke lento yokuthi sithandazela direct ngisho ka Pick n Pay uyasala ukukhuluma nemanager uqala ukhulume nomunye umuntu ayokukhulumela nemanager kodwa uNkulunkulu wena uyayingenela direct ishtade sengibona ngiyofuna umsebenzi ka Virgin Airlines ngithi mina hayi ngifuna umphathi umqali wala ekhaya njengoba Facebook nje siyamazi yena ubani uzuguva bani lo waqala uFacebook siyamazi sesokhuluma noNkulunkulu hey sasamjwayela kodwa
what I also said was uyazi ukuthi usifundisani kulesi sikhathi esikuzo lesi sikhathi seCovid-19 usifundisa nje ukuthi ngifuna ukunikhombisa mina ukuthi angisi umngani wenu senisuke nangenza umngani wenu ningibiza ngobaba wenu umbiza ngobaba phela engqondweni yakho uyafana nobaba nje ofaka ibhlukwe yikho uNkulunkulu simenza be-human form simenza ngathi ubaba othile ohlala somewhere he is uyinto engaqondakali ngoba uyimi uwe umoya uyikho konke so awukwazi leyo nto leyo umqondweni wakho umqondo wakho as umuntu awukwazi ngisho ukuyiformulator i-image kaNkulunkulu ngoba ayikho ayikho into ekuthiwa i-image kaNkulunkulu ngaphandle komuntu nomunye umuntu uyikhombisa ezihlahleni uyikhombisa olwandle uyikhombisa kithi uyikhombisa kofish abasolwandle ukuthi ukhona uyikhombisa ezilwaneni ezihamba uyikho konke yikho waqala eyizwi ekuqaleni kwakunezwi nolizwi so masisuka siqale simhloniphe sisuke from the western way of doing things into zabelungu akusize zethu ezabelungu bona bayazi indaba bekhuluma naye indlela abakhuluma ngayo thina safundiswa ukuhlonipha isikhathi sokukhuleka isikhathi sacred kakhulu in families isikhathi esihlonipheke kakhulu indaba yokumemeza hey asiyazi thina leyo nto sikhula sazi ukuthi kukhulekwa uzothiwa uyazotha umukhuleka uyashuqula umukhuleka ubeka into emahlombe umukhuleka awukwazi ukuya esontweni ufaka ibhlukwe awukwazi ukuya esontweni uveze noma kanjani hlonipheka uyabona amasulumane lento ayiyo nje indaba landela into yakubo ukuyimboza uyahlonishwa ngoba awumazi ukuthi uyini uNkulunkulu akasiyona lento kodwa ocabanga ukuthi uyini akasiyumngani ushomi usikhombisile ke manje akasiyena ushomi wethu
izwe lonke kanye wathi nginiphethe
sonke at once was call into order ngesikhathi esisodwa wayesethi ngizonibona ukuthi ukuhlakani beni kuhamba kufikephi nakho didekile
yabona musakhuluma ngeyokuyihlonipha nayokuyimboza ngafika ngise eItaly eVatican sase siyahamba ke siyalahlala khona uPope ngajikise esangweni kwathiwa ngingena la ekhaya uveza amahlombe kwafanele ngiye esitolo ngiyothenga iduku lokumboza amahlombe ngoba ngayigqokisa amadress kuyayishisela veze necleavage mhlawumbe uPope ngizothi ukumdidisa kwathiwa nje esangweni kwathiwa hayi akungenwa-ke la ekhaya amahlombe evelile namabele nje behleli ngaphandle nje. Ngahamba abanye ngiyothenga isikhathi ngoke ngisibheke leso sithombe ngimtshengise ngabopha ngoba ukuhlonipha sengisho Italy-ke thina bese sithi isilungu ukuya esontweni siveze umzimba.
Kanti bona bayazenza into zabo emakubo
bese ungena futhi ubikelelwa ngempela. Ubikelelwa ngempela. Ngicela siphendule are your kids affected by your calling? Uzothi usaphendula ngizonivezela isithombe ngizobe ngingaphazamisa into oyishoyo. Ngifuna nibone ukuthi njengoba izinto siyibukela phansi impepho iwumalini e-USA. Ngicela uphendule, are your kids affected by your calling?
My kids angazi affected ukuthi into ekanjani, kodwa ngizokuchaza kanje. Abantwana bami bayazi ukuthi uma wabo uphila hlobo luni lwempilo. Lokhu bazalelwa ekwazini ukuthi uma wabo ukholelwa kulohlobo luphi lwempilo. Laba bawu2 abadala bona ukuthwasa ngaqala sebekhona sebephila. Lo wesithathu wayeseswini kusho ukuthi naye ngithe ngisekuthwaseni ngidla yonke engangidla naye wayethwasa kanye nami. Shuthi-ke kuyophela abantu abanabantu abadala mhlawumbe bebabili la ekhaya. So abantwana bami bayazi ukuthi kukhona isikhathi la ukhokho achuza khona ukuthi namhlanje ke ngifuna ukuzoxoxa. Akayenzi i-appointment. Ngivele bezwe ngami sengithi abalungisa baqhelisa izinto. Ukhokho usefikile sekufanele ngihlale phansi kusethwe kulethwe izinto zakhe ngigqokiswe izinto zakhe. Uzoxoxa, usuke ezoxoxa nabo abantwana bami. So bayazi ukuthi umama uhlobo luni. Bazi yonke into. uJaydeen usekhulile, usekhuluma naye, useyakwazi ukutranslate ama siblings akhe la abangezwa khona, useyazi ukuthi kukhona ikhehla eliphila kumama, ngoba ugogo njengoba ngishilo ukhuphuka ngumkhuleko. Ugogo usesithubeni sesayidini lesithuba, ukhokho usesayidini leli lobungoma, kepha ukhokho usebenza when needed, ikakhulukazi uhila ngokomoya ngokukhuluma. Uyaye uyontshela ukuthi ukhokho uhila hlobo luni, uyaxoxa nawe ukhokho axazululele inkinga zakho, uphume usungathi ukuningi okuxazululekile. So abantwana bami they are aware of uma wabo nokuthi uma wabo uyisima kanjani. Abantwana bami bayamthanda ukhokho. Kade ngibuzwa ubhobho nje ukuthi when is Khokho coming back again? Ithi mina, do you miss him? Uthi no, I just wanted to know, because uvela qhamuka kayenzi appointment.
Yo, kwaze kwanzima. Ake sibe sibheka, ngicela khona i-live efanele ngabe iyangena manje ngo-9, kodwa sizoyenza ngo9:30 ngoba lesikwazi ukuyikhansela nayo lena ngoba isashubile nani nifuna izinto eziningi and angifuni ukuthi ningadeli. Uthi uPopi uMotapema thokozani Makhosi, uma siyizinyanga ezithandazayo sizonqoba kule ndlela. Ngiyabonga mina Ndlondo.
Thokoza Makhosi, thokoza Ndlondo.
Thokoza Ndlondo. Nangu uMaguqu uthi nje yena sesimila phila. Uthi mamas ubani owasishintsha ungubo kaShaka English, because before besi enjoyed but now sewaba usuku nje. Indaba yosuku lukaShaka, that's another topic for another day.
Yeah.
Into enzima leyo. Now my questions sengibheka wokugcina ke manje. Uthi nje Muslims are doing their thing here in Dubai and they respect isikhathi sabo somthandazo. Imagine nje amagama mhlawumbe okugcina ongabatshela abantu, especially relating to indaba ye-COVID, bese ngicela futhi usitshele ukuthi njengoba abantu bethi abafuni bona ukusebenzisa mhlawumbe nje amakhambi njengomhlonyane, yiphi advice ongasinika yona? Bona balinde iphanate ezovela kumlungu.
Okay, firstly, isikhathi lesi se-COVID-19 lesi i-lockdown lesi si-experienceayo sonke sithe masingena kuyo saba confused ukuthi kwenzakalani. Wonke umuntu wayithatha ngendlela ethile. Bengishilo ekuqaleni ukuthi mina kwavele kwacaca ukuthi le journey bekade ngiyihamba all along ibi-leader to this, ngoba kwavele kwaswitcha. Mina ngumuntu usually openikayo, ngumuntu by now I would have had angazi how many panic attacks by now. Because ngumuntu ophenika kakhulu, ngumuntu ostressa kakhulu about izinto, because I'm a single mom and I've got 5 children to take care of. But kunalokho ngavele ngaba calm ngenye indlela, la endlini sakhuleka ngenye indlela nabantwana. Ngabuye ngahlala la ngakhuluma nogogo, ngakhuleka ngaba calm. Wafika nokhokho wakhuluma nabantwana at the beginning of i-lockdown. Wakhuluma nabantwana ebatshela ukuthi all is well, all is going to be well. Things will be even better masidlulile lento. This is a spiritual period. This is a transitioning time for everyone. Wonke umuntu owake wazi ukuthi khona into ekuthiwa spiritual well-being uzokwazi ukuthi yini ufile khama, yini ungathuki, ingoba ukukhuleka kwakho kuyakwembulela kuyacacisela ukuthi first of all this period is not in our control, it is in no one's control. Akekho umuntu ozofika athi khona i-answer kusasa, asazi sonke. But we still need to stay at home like we are staying at home. We need to cover our faces should we step outside. We need to sanitize izandla zethu neindawo esikuzo sanitize. We need to take care of indawo zethu, our living areas, clean hard areas, amatafula wasule ngedomestos, wasule anything that is ebulala amagciwane. We need to make sure ukuthi we follow wonke ama-regulations abekwe uhulumeni, because asinayo enye answer. Uma ngabe ke siza ngapha ekuphiliseni ngokwesintu, kukhona izinto vele bekade zikhona. Umhlonyana nje I was surprised ukuthi how phambe umhlonyana kade mina ngangiwusebenzisa ukuthi ngoba sekubukhuni ukuthi ngihambe ngemarket ngiyoyithengela amakhambi, anginawo. But ngisesegoli umhlonyana ngangihamba ngeFaraday every time, every month ngihambe ngiyothenga ijumbana zomhlonyana, ngubilise ngufake emabhodleleni. Mangabe kungena isikhathi somkhuhlane, izingane ziphila ngomhlonyana, ngobani na? Umhlonyana uvula isifuba, udila nayo yonke into ehambelana ne-respiratory system, isystem yamaphaphu system, yonke into enokuphefumula phakathi, ama-lungs ayaclearisheka uma usebenzisa umhlonyana. Ugquma ngawo, uphuza, uchatha ngawo, yonke into ehambelana negazi umhlonyana uyayilungisa igazi, uvula isifuba, imithambo lese esifubeni. Abantu abane-asthma mabesebenzisa umhlonyana bayaphila. Abantu abane-bronchitis, nje izifo ezi-related nesifuba neyilonda esifubeni, umhlonyana udila nazo zonke lezo zinto. So ngikhumbulile kuthiwa umhlonyana nakho kuthiwa uyasiza during this time. Ngathi na how lento kade ngisho ngithi mina kuthiwa Africa is the cradle of humankind. Gaze ngathi yey nansi answer izobuya eAfrica, nanti izwe na umhlaba uzohilwa yiAfrica, ngoba bona bacabanga ukuthi into fanele iphumelele, kanti mhlawumbe into yokuyiqeda yonke lento izophuma emva kwendlu. uNkulunkulu efuna ukunikhombisa ukuthi lo muntu omnyama kade nanimbukela phansi uyi-answer ke namhlanje nonke nidiphendele kuyena. Nathi the iyaqhamuka ngapha eMadagascar bayayiqhelisa into. Ithe mayisifika ngapha elokhu ngene eSouth Africa kuthiwa hayi umhlonyana, khuluma umhlonyana. Wonke umuntu ahamba wemva kwendlu ayokho umhlonyana, umhlonyana umili noma kuphi la. Nansi into ephilisa izoqhamuka la. Abayishumayeli ke kodwa abayiqhakambisi ke yomhlonyana, kodwa it makes sense ukuthi umhlonyana would help kulesi sikhathi ngoba vele kuthiwa yini i-respiratory system udila nayo umhlonyana.
Yebo. Nawo amanye amalokhuzana uthi omunye uSiphokazi Mahlamvana, can you open a page motivating people with depression? Kade sakhuluma nje ngepage lakho, a very good direction ukuthi ngoba uyasentertain active, uyazenza into eziningi, siyenza ama-skits, siyenzani. I think we need umuntu ozosilapha njengoba ukhuluma nje, futhi ipage lakho singalifollowisha sonke.
I'll start posting.
Ngicela ke nje njengamanje engakabi active uDon epage lakhe, sibe sifollowisha uKing Dini kwilokhuzana yakhe YouTube page yakhe. Ngicela ukungithathela iBhayibheli ngoba namhlanje ngifuna sivalele iBhayibheli ukuze babone ukuthi abantu abenza izinto zesintu bayasondelene noNkulunkulu. Ngicela ungithathele iBhayibheli lakho ungivulele kuJeremiah. Unalele isiZulu?
Ilona lesizulu bengifuna ukufundela izwi engilinikiwe mina ngisalindele wena ukuthi ufone.
Okay, ngicela uqala ungifundele elami bese sifunda elakho-ke sizo-headline ngelakho. Ungivulele uJeremiah 9 verse 15. Ilona nami engiliphiwe lelo. I've just changed it. Sizoba on go 9:30. I've communicated nanoThokozani ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi manje sizoqeda kodwa nje shortly sesifunda nje iBhayibheli bese siyaqeda, then ngithi nami ukudonsa umoya bese ngo 9:30 ke siyaduma.
Hey, kusho ukuthi siqale into la, into ebesingayazi ukuthi siyayiqala. Uthe uJeremiah bani?
9 verse 15.
Jeremiah 9 verse 15. Alright. Ngalokho usho kanje uJehova Sebawothi, uNkulunkulu kaIsrayeli uthi, bheka ngiyakubanika laba bantu ukuba badle umhlonyana baphuze amanzi enyongo.
Amen.
Amen.
I don't think liyadinga ukuchaza.
Hayi. Hey, lifele lasuka lashaya enye indawo. Li self explanatory ke leli. Leli selilivalile ke lami bengade ngithi yabona
kanjani nje kuzofanele ulivule ongeke sikuvumele siyalidinga.
Right. Lapha ngise Amahubo 103. Sorry lapha konke shephukile. Right.
I'm sorry guys, I forgot ukuthi Thursday la eEngland bayaphuma bashaya amabhodwe bashaya izinto mhlawumbe niyawuza unoise kancane bajabulela abantu abama-essential workers especially abasebenza ezibhedlela. Ungawuza bathi happy new year la ngaphandle.
Hawu Nkosi yami. So mina ke naka Amahubo 103 so ngizowafunda very fast. Ngoba ngiphila ngawo ungahleka ipage lakhona selizela klebhuka. Yinje.
Yebo.
Right. Mbonge uJehova mphefumulo wami konke okuphakathi kwami makubongwe igama lakhe elingcwele. Mbonge uJehova mphefumulo wami ungakhohlwa imisebenzi yonke yakhe yomusa. Yena othethelela zonke izono zakho, owelapha zonke izifo zakho, okhulula ukuphila kwakho ekubhujisweni, okuqhelisa ngomusa nangobubele, osuthisa ukulangazela kwakho ngokuhle, ubusha bakho bubuyiswe njengokhozi. uJehova ubenzela bonke abacindezelwayo ukulunga nokwahlulela. Wamazisa uMose izindlela zakhe nabantwana baka-Israyeli izenzo zakhe. Ngicela ukuyibamba lapho. Kodwa lento ithi nje asimbonge uJehova ngoba uye kuphela. Uye kuphela okwazi ukwenza noma yini ngempilo yethu. Uye okwazi ukwenza kuyaye kuthiwe sekuphelile ngomuntu sewubhaca embedeni amqale phansi abuyise ubusha bakhe kabusha njengobokhozi. Ukhozi I will explain why kusetshenziswa ukhozi. Ukhozi kukhona isikhathi la lihamba khona liyocasha yonke into amaqhubu okhozi asuke luqale phansi ukhozi kumile amaqhubu amasha luqalwe phansi lube ne-strength esisha. That's why kusetshenziswa i-example yokuthi ubusha bakho bubuyekeziswe njengobokhozi ngoba kuyaye kuthi kuthiwe umuntu usesembhedeni usiyahamba umuntu uthola ukuthi ngokuthi nje kufike wakhulekelwa wanikizwa into ezithile waphuzwa into ezithile kwakhulekwa naye wayesiyabonga ngaphakathi, because you need to be grateful and thankful to God for your life noma ngabe uthi kudlula entweni kanjani, but you need to be grateful noma ngabe udle isinkwa namanzi khona ungenaso isinkwa namanzi, noma ngabe ulale phansi kwesihlahla khona ungenaso isihlahla sokulala ngaphansi. Be grateful kuNkulunkulu noma ngabe ukunikeni, ngoba lokho asuke kunike khona kusuke kufanele ngaleso sikhathi, kusuke kuuhlelo lwakhe. Ayikho into eyenzekalayo ngesilona uhlelo lika Jehova. Ngakho ngaso sonke isikhathi mbonga uJehova mphefumulo wami.
Amen. I don't think isadinga ukunezelwa. I do not think isadinga ukunezelwa. Siyabonga kakhulu. Siyabonga kakhulu Makhosi usilaphile.
Ngiyajabula khona kwenzakele kulo 2 hours esesikhulumile, ngoba bekufanele ngikhulume. I was supposed to go live on Facebook, but ngiyacabanga ukuthi abantu ku Facebook sebeyabona ukuthi ngikuphi.
Yebo. Hayi ngiyaxolisa ukuthatha sonke isikhathi sakho.
No. Abantu kuyakhulumeka nabo kusasa. Uyabona lolu suku belidizayiniwe, uNkulunkulu uthe nje yazini ngizoke ngikusebenzise-ke namhlanje ninomngani wakho ke niphilisa abantu, ifocus yabo ikishintshe from lo munyu umunyu lo ngaka ke befocus on ukuthi hawu kanti khona into enhle ngathi, kanti abalaphi bethu bendabuko bakanje nabo, hawu kanti akusile iqiniso ukuthi labantu abalapha ya abama celebrity bangene umoya wokuphapha wobu-celebrity. Abantu bathwasile, abantu bangenwa amadlozi angempela, hayi ngoba and then they found themselves in the entertainment industry because it's part of their journey.
Kwakhona ukulapha akekho nje manje akanayo i-TV, akayibuka i-TV, akayibuka ifoni, njengoba sikwi-lockdown nje. Angazi ngabe sekwenzekeni kuba kuthiwa sinayo ama-entertainers, angazi ngabe sekwenzekeni. Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngiyabonga Phehla, ngiyabonga Gogo. Guys, please don't forget, let us thank uDon by following uKing Dini. Nayi i-link asimfollowishe. Ngifuna nje athi uyavuka ku-YouTube wakhe athi hayibo kwenzekeni namhlanje ngathola abantu abaningi kangaka. Simjabulise. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ngiyifaka futhi nizoyibona bese siyamfollowisha. Hayi ngiyabonga mengingahlala nani ngeke ngize ngiqede. 9:30 I have a very interesting guest, uThokozani Ndaba. Ngicela ningijoyine, you do not wanna miss this. Asambe siyodla siphuza amanzi, abayoshaya 1 round bashaya 1 round kuba amakhwiki basheshe babuye 9:30.